Hello. It is I Hurdensplurgen, and today we're studying. I'm turning the game volume tad. By tad, I mean music a tad. Hey. Sorry, it was too loud in both my ears and probably on stream as well. I was probably fine on stream, but in my ears specifically, it was too loud. But anyways, today I was playing Silk Song. And I did Steel Soul. I did Steel Soul today. I did one life mode. I did the if I get hit too many times, the game restarts type run, you know. And with how hard Silk Song is, that shit was difficult. It was really difficult, but you know what? I did it. It only took me 2 attempts, and the reason it took me 2 attempts is because the first one, my controller disconnected. That was fun. It didn't make me nervous at all. Anyways. If I can play Silk Song, I already beat Silk Song. I don't need a rainbow about Silk Song. Oh, I like Silk Song. It was a fun. Silk Song was fun. I'm probably gonna speedrun Silk Song eventually. Because speaking of speedrunning, yesterday we were speedrunning, right? Yesterday we were speedrunning. And let me tell you what. We did not do good very well. Which is crazy because I turned off stream, right? And I decided to do a little bit more practicing. Not recording, not streaming, nothing. After last night's stream. And I did so much better the moment I ended stream than anything I was doing on stream. I hate that so much for me. Why did I do so much better then? I was getting all the tricks either first try or second try. I hate that. I hate it. Ah. Oh well, it is what it is. But anyways, to the study stream, today we have issues. I didn't mean over that. That's not what I want. That's not what I'm doing. I'm gonna toggle my visibility so I can open up my to-do list. So I'm gonna show my to-do list first. Right, this is the to-do list that I just made not too long ago. Right before stream. Kind of refresher everywhere. It's like, you know, just to make sure all the content is all good in my mind, right? Which it should be. I should be capable of reading it all. I might mix up some stuff, which is why we're doing the refresher. But other than that, I don't know what to do. I'm kind of hitting a dead end. In terms of not studying Japanese, because I do have ways to progress that. It's slow, but I do have ways of doing it, right? Namely, just read crap and do crap. Namely, I do Duolingo and my Anki, right? Just do those things daily. But as you can see here, I don't really know what to do. So we'll get to that problem in like an hour. We'll get to that problem when we get to it. Oh, that's how I close it. Anyways. Let us. Again, if I can get OBS to work. OBS, why don't you work the way that I want you to? I'm trying to get this specific page open, but it's not opening for some reason. Why is it not showing my browser? My correct browser. Hold on. Fixing things. No capture. Yeah, sure. There we go. I created a new one and it works. I could not tell you why. I just had to create a new window capture. It just wasn't working before. Oh well. Thank you, OBS, for being very normal and not breaking on me at all ever in a million years. Now you can see what we're doing. Oh, I know, right? How are you? Hey, yo, what's up, bro? Dap me up, bro. Give me that cat dap. But anyways. First things first, we're gonna do a little Kana refresher. Make sure that we're all good. And by we, I mean me specifically. I don't know why I'm saying we like this is a group learning experience. Among Us. Listen. I launched this game today, right? And it has this like collectible thing where you can like collect these little like buddies that you can have by playing the game. And I got the Among Us. I fucking shit myself when I saw this. I got it like 5 minutes before I started stream. I opened up this game and I saw the thingy. I was like, oh, what's this? Click on it. And it's like, it's Among Us. Ah, holy shit, he's so sus. Sussy like Among Us. Yeah. I got Among Us jump scared. Ah. So hello, Nyahaki. You're the first. You're so cool. You're so awesome. Ah. Thank you for being first in chat. Oh my gosh, you're spinning. Anyways, let us start doing old shit, which is refreshing on Kana. Which we're probably not gonna stay on this long. I just want to make sure. Probably gonna like refresh for like 10 minutes. Make sure that I'm actually good. Among Us. I got that Among Us. You missed the first. No. Because clearly it's because you weren't first in chat. Sorry, Rai. You weren't the first chatter today, so you couldn't get it. I have everything I want selected. Yeah, I don't want the icon and the whatever the other thing's called. I don't remember what they're called. The little symbols that are next to letters, or next to the hiragana and kana. I don't remember what those symbols are called. I know what they do. I just don't remember the name of those symbols. But, we're just studying all the hiragana and katakana right now. All the basic ones, to make sure that I remember them. That's all we're doing right now. Just a small refresher. Like this is A. It's new. All right. Well, this is why we're refreshing. I instantly get it wrong right now. Okay. Listen, I swear I studied Japanese before. I swear. I promise. You. Oh. Which one's this? Small. Nay. So I have forgotten everything. Cool. Neat. Hey. So. Ra. R. Wa. That's nay. Because I saw the twirly bit at the end. I was like, I got confused. I got confuzzled. Key. Ooh. Say. This is say, right? Say. Yeah, say. Too much silk. I know. Listen, the silk song is right in my brain. I was playing silk song too much, and I've just forgotten all my Japanese knowledge. I'm sorry. I missed it last week. Yeah, I missed last week because I was too busy playing silk song. I'm sorry. I apologize. Brain, my Japanese knowledge. Ooh. Listen, I was just too excited to play Japanese. Okay, I mean, playing Japanese. Yeah, we were playing Japanese last week, not silk song, but now we're playing Japanese. This is re. She. To. Mo. That's me, right? Yeah, me. Ke. Right? Yeah, ke. N. Ka. Ya. Ya. Ha. Nah. It was not. Fuck. You should say this. Hold on. You get the main browser treatment for right now, so I can actually see that. What does it say? First letter. That's ba. Ba. No, that's not ba. Sorry, I was thinking of katakana. That's not ba at all. That's go. It's go. No. Sorry, I'm being dumb right now. It's been too long. Go. That's not ne. That's not nu. That's not re. That's not wa. Oh shit. Which one is that again? What's the thing after go? I'm blanking. Oh no, I'm dumb. I'm forgetting everything. It's not ni. It's not nu. It's not no. It's not ne. It's not na. It's me. Right? It's me. Gome. Gomin. Gomin. No, Gomin. And I was Gomin. Gomin Nasai. I'm sorry. I remembered. I processed of elimination with that shit. I got it. Gomin Nasai. I apologize. I'm sorry. Haktua. Got a Haktua on that thing. How do I say Haktua in Japanese? How do I write Haktua? Because I can write Ha. Hawak. Tua. You can write that. Trust me. You can write Haktua in Japanese. This is me. That's Ha. Alright, because I was thinking. Yeah, that's Ha. Probably with katakana, yes. I am almost certain it would be with the katakana. Ta. Hey. This is Ma, right? Yeah, Ma. Yo. Me. Ke. You. Fuck. What's this one again? Is this also K? No, it's not K, right? It's meh. That's what it is, meh. Alright, sorry, I forgot which one this one was. Meh. Cool. Cool again. Cuckoo. Oh my gosh, we're so cuckoo. We're cuckoo crazy right now. Ri. Which one is it? That. K? Oh, it's Re. So I should be practicing specifically the katakana. Specifically the katakana more. I'm feeling like mostly confident on the hiragana. I should get the hiragana like 100% of the time right now. Namely, the thing that I need to be refreshing on is the katakana, and I'm going to do that right now by unchecking all the hiragana. I'm like 99% confident on the hiragana. So we're just gonna switch to katakana. Yes. This is cheap. This one, we have already forgotten what this one is. This isn't. Oh, that's ooh. This is yo. Yeah, yo. No. He. Me. That's not fu. It's te. No, it's ra. Ra. Okay. Tsu. Smiley face looking down. Tsu. What did I just do? I did something. I fat fingered spacebar and I did something. Tsu. This is chi, right? Yeah, chi. What is this? I'm blanking. It's not tsu. It's not chi. It's not so. It's not sa. I'm blanking. Which one's this one again? Tsu. Chi. Hold on. Which is smiley face. It's the smiley face. What is the smiley face? Looking up. Tsu? She. That's the one I was thinking. I knew I had a feeling it was a 3-letter word. I knew it was going to be one of the 3-letter words. Or the 3-letter ones, three sound ones, but I forgot which one it was because I forgot she existed. Sorry, I forgot she existed for a second there. Ma. Ta. Nu. Not ta. Fu. Ko. We just had this one, and I've already forgotten what it was. Nay? Nah. Not ta. What was this again? Su? Oh, it's O. It's just O. Oh. Oh, that's also O, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, stinky. I made stinky. Oh? No, it's ne, right? Yeah, that's ne. Okay, that's ne. That's re. That's ri. Ku. Yu. Te. Uru. So. No. No. No, it was so. God damn, I mixed up my spell and my ins ka. That's mo ta su ki suki. Oh my gosh, that's another word I know in Japanese that means love. Suki desu. So, does suki desu mean I'm in love? Is that what it translates to? If I say suki desu? I don't know. Because you'd say this to like be as like the general pronoun thing, right? You'd be like, I'm this thing, or you're this thing. He, she, it, we, this thing. This isn't fu. What is this? I don't remember what it is. Wah. Yeah. Say. Sa. I don't remember what this is. To? Oh, okay. I'm forgetting the basic vowels. I'm forgetting that basic and only vowel sounds. The ones that are just a single vowel sound. I'm blanking on all of those. God damn it. I remember the more complicated ones, just not those. To. Ra? Meh. Okay, that's what it was. Meh. Ni. Ho. Te? Oh, he. Anyway. This is cool. Bro is square. Bro is scatter. This is mu. Me. Mu me mu. Mu me mu. Mu me mu mo. Mu me mu mo. Mu 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 me mo mo mo. Mu me mo mo mo. He. No. Oh. She. Oh, I'm mixing them up. Oh. Su. Oh, but we just did this one. I just did this roll. Ne. Yo. Hey. Sorry, I can't remember what to say. Oh. Ni. Se. Sa. I don't mix up saying sa. Ma. Mi. Te. It's not na? Nah, okay. Nah. It's not nah. Cool. Cool. That's ta, I'm pretty sure. It's no. Which one's ta? Which one's ta? Which one's ta? Because I don't think we've seen ta. I keep being confused with ta. Oh, ta's the one. Ta's the one that has the curly bit on the end. Okay. Nu is without the curly bit on the end. Ta is with the curly bit. Okay. Ne. You. So. No. So. No. Chino sadame. Jojo. Sorry, my brain went to Jojo. And then I'm getting this wrong because I fat fingered Y instead of T. Oh. Chat pads, thank you for the chat pads. I appreciate it. I forgot. E. So no chino sada. Listen, I can go on a tangent about JoJo, but I'm not the biggest fan of JoJo animes, but my god, their music is great. All the openings are absolute bangers. Let me tell you what. Ooh. Ni. Te. Oh, me. Yeah. Oh. Wah. What do you mean? What do you mean? I got that one wrong. Me. He. S. He. No. Sorry, I just blanked. I know that one wasn't key, but then I just like did that anyway. I don't even know why. I knew that. I should have known that was when was raw. Cool. Okay. He. Yeah. Ra. Say. That's foo. Ma. Chi. Re. R. M. Call. Yeah, call. Here. Say or sa. Say sa. Yeah, sa. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. I just said what you. This is ta. Okay. Yeah. That's ta. Nah. And nah. Ku. Ka. She. Yes. Which one is this? I forgot. It starts with an N. It's not na. It's not ne. It's not ni. It's not no. Is it n? Is this n? It's n. Okay. I had a process of elimination that. Me when process of elimination. Me when I eliminate myself in Minecraft. Yo. Sorry, I voice cracked. Me when voice cracked because I can't speak words correctly. I'm hitting puberty again. Yeah. K. B. Ni. He. Ma. Ra. Te. You're growing, Hurden. It's okay. Oh, one day I'll be a big boy. I'll be big and strong, and I can lift everything up. I'll grow up and to be the biggest boy ever. I already reached maximum size. No. My balls have already dropped, I swear. I forgot which one this one was. Eh? No. Key. Yeah. You. The. No, yeah, no. Say. So. Say so. Say it. Say so. I know there's an E. There's an E sound in say so, but say so. I'm so say so, chat. Say so this. Say so this. I'm say so. That's how you say I'm say so. I say so this. What does say so even mean? What does say so mean in Japanese? I opened up a. What tab was it? It was not this, was it? No, there was a tab that I had. There was a tab that I had of a Translate that wasn't Google. It was a dictionary that wasn't Google Translate. Did I close out of it? Why would I close out of it? Why am I dumb? Why did Herded of like 30 minutes ago close out of it? No, I wanted that. I wanted to check what say so meant. I wanted like the actual definition of say so. Why did I close out of it? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. I already know the answer to that. We all know the answer to that without answering it. Okay, here. I meant to keep this tab open. Say so, yes. Say so. Say so. Say so. Say so. What is it? Is that even a word? Neat. And clean, tidy. Minus or caress. Also, yes, I have the Japanese keyboard installed on my PC, so I can type the Japanese and be the Japanese. Say so. That's what it means, neat and tidy, which I guess in a way can be like, you know, not really. Say so. Right. But with that, I think we're done with that. I think we're getting most of them correct now for the hiragana, so I think we're good for right now on the kana, right? We're getting most of the hiragana correct. We're getting most of the katakana correct. I believe we're mostly decent on the kana. Mostly. How good is that actually? I'm probably gonna start getting them incorrect in like a week. Yeah. For now, I think we're done with that. Next on the to-do list is my Anki, because I haven't done this in like forever. Which, by the way, I was looking this up before stream because I wanted to set this up because I haven't been doing Anki, right? The flashcards. I installed this on stream like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. I don't remember, but I installed this on stream. I installed Anki, the flashcards, on stream. I'm on stream, and I have not been doing them since. I haven't done them a single time. I should be doing this every day, but I just haven't been because I've been lazy. Simple as is. Simple as is, coach. I didn't switch the right thing, did I? Why did I not change? What? Yeah. Why you no change? Why you no change? Hold on, I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. I'm gonna add a new source, which is a new display capture. Yes. Yes. Did I click on the right display? I did not select the display, did I? No, I did not. There we go, coach. Okay. There we go. Right. 5S is a workplace organization method that uses A list of 5 Japanese words: seire, seitan, seiso, seikutsu, and shitsuku. Shitsuke. Shitsuki. It's shitsuki. Shitsuke. These have been translated as sort, send, or shine, standardize, and sustain. Huh. I don't know how. Maybe it's true. I don't know. I don't know nothing. I don't know anything about Japanese. Did you just directly Google translate that, or did you use a dictionary? Because I used a dictionary to get that, get my definition of it. Is a workplace organization method I use it. I don't know. Which one? Say so is the third one, so that's shine. Shine. Well, yeah. Okay. Okay, listen, I do know some weird shenanigans about Japanese. Some word, well, okay, even in English it's like this, but words have multiple meanings, right? Words can have multiple meanings, both in English, in the Englishes, and the Japanese, you know? Here, say so is neat and tidy, right? Tidy, or neat and clean, tidy, trim. Shine, you can kind of see how that means roughly the same thing, right? Here's another one. Seisu. Seiso. So just explicitly seiso. It's cleaning, clean up. Right, so shine. You can kind of get to clean from that as well. Or shine from that as well. Yeah, seiso also means cleans. Seiso essentially means clean. Yeah. Seiso is the clean. It's cleaning time. It's cleaning time. I'm gonna close this real quick. Why? Because now we take a break. Now it's break time. Break time. And now I'm gonna go back and talk about this other issue that I had, namely this. Here, when we have Anki, right? This is my to-do list. This is my plan for stream. First was the Kana refresher, which we just did. Next will be the Anki, which we will be doing soon. After that, I really don't know what to do with these study streams. The study streams have kind of hit a point which I realized before stream. I was kind of like sitting there with my hands crossed, my hands down my pants, thinking to myself, what do I do with my study stream? How do I study? Because it's kind of getting to the point where I don't really know what to do on stream with these. Because at first it was easy, right? It was just study, just brute force the hiragana and katakana. But it's kind of getting to the point where I don't really know what to do. Because the way to proceed in the Japanese is to just read shit. Is to just read Japanese stuff. And watch Japanese things. So it's like, is that really studying or is that just reading at that point? And I don't know how productive that would be done on stream. You know, learn basic words so you can make simple sentences. Yeah, I get that. But like the way that I would do that would just be Anki, right? And that's gonna be a slow process. Like learning the basic word is gonna be like it's gonna be a daily thing that I'm gonna do, right? Like over the course of months. It's just do flashcards and Duolingo, right? But the reason why I did this was so I can have something to do for like 3 hours straight of just studying. I don't know what to do for 3 hours straight of just studying, right? Because learning basic words is something I would study for like 5 minutes a day, every day, right? Because I set that up with Anki. So I don't know how to go about progressing on stream with the Japanese learning. Because it's not like I have homework. You want something more challenging? It's not challenge that I want, that I desire. I want something that feels like I can do it on stream, right? Because there's a reason for streaming this, and that's that I'm lazy. That's the pure reason that I'm streaming studying Japanese, is because I'm lazy, right? So if laziness has been taken out of the question, I have ideas, but it's up to you. I mean, I'm willing to hear your ideas. It is also true that it is up to me, because I am the one who has to read it, or has to do it. I've also thought about doing like other subjects in like the study streams, not just, you know, reading Japanese or trying to learn Japanese. Namely physics, because I actually haven't studied physics since I graduated. Since I graduated college, and all my physics data is swooshing out of my brain. I'm losing it. I'm losing all the data. I'm losing all the skills. I need to keep the skills. I need to keep the data. All that good data. I might not be using the data for anything right now, but big trust. The data is important. Data is very important. What about analyzing Japanese lyrics, or read a story in Japanese and trying to translate it yourself? I don't know, something like that. I mean, both of those would work. You're absolutely right. Those are both good ideas, right? I'm just being like picky and an asshole because like I don't want to change the setup that I have. Like I'm talking specifically about like streaming right now, not just studying. Not studying. I'm talking about I'm being an asshole because I'm talking about studying specifically. Not even streaming or not. I'm not talking about studying. I'm talking about streaming. What do I do like with this game that I'm playing? Like when I can just sit down and study. To be fair, I can just change it to like, instead of this being a study stream, we can do this. Turn this into like an ASMR stream where I read like a Japanese book and then like take it like 5-second breaks and just translate the words to English so I can like understand it. Or just play like a Japanese visual novel and then translate the words like that. This is an idea to contemplate on in like another 25 minutes. But for now, let's get back into studying. Just a little bit. Because again, I have not been doing this. Also, how do I do this again? I haven't touched this application in like 3 weeks. Study now. And there's gonna be whatever you feel more comfortable. That is fair. But it's also like I'm indecisive as all hell. I'm the indecisive gamer. Listen, I can't even do ASMR regularly, okay? Because I'm indecisive as fuck. I can't read that. That is kanji. What does this kanji say? I can read these. Yes. That's ha mori. Hamori. What does it say? Nai. Okay. Not to be nai. Okay.
今はあまり時間がないのです。今はあまり時間がないのです。今はあまり時間がないのです。
今は Oh, that's ha. What? That's ha, right?
今はあまり時間がないのです。
I don't know why, but like I still do not understand why, but like sometimes in Japanese, ah gets pronounced as wa. Like konnichiwa. I've looked this up. Konnichiwa is written with ha. It's written with ha instead of wa, right? But it's pronounced konnichiwa. Sometimes it's pronounced wa instead of ha. I don't get it. It's confusing. It throws me off every single time I hear it. So my first instinct is, oh, that's ha. It's not actually ha, it's wa. Ah, I've been lied to. I've been lied to by the Japanese. I've been lied to. Akiri. No, that's not Akiri. That's Amori. Wait, hold on. Amori. I swear I've heard this word before. Amori. What is Amori? I swear I've heard, I know, I should know this. I should know this. I've watched enough Japanese. Amari, what is this word? Ah, I don't know.
あまり
Ah,
スポーツはあま
not
り
very
好き
much.
じゃありません。
Amari. Not very much.
あまり
スポーツはあまり好きじゃありまスポーツはあまり好きじゃありません。
Amari Suki. Okay. So you would say, grammatically speaking, you would say, like, very much not, or not very much like sport, or sports, not very much like, right? If you're directly translating, right? So it'd be, sports wa amari suki, right? I don't really like sports. What the hell is all this other stuff after this? That's PG Jari Mosun.
スポーツはあまり好きじゃありません。スポーツはあまり好きじゃありません。
Yeah, right. What's the there? What is this? I can't read either of those. Ah, I can't read the kanji. Ah.
時間今は時間がありません
Jikan. I will forget this in like 10 minutes. Oh. Kono suba. Kono shin. Kono chino saname. Kono. It's kono. It's not like I am, right? No. Kono.
この
This
山
one.
田さんの本はどれですか
Kono. This one. Kono. Ano. We've heard this one before. I've forgotten it. Doesn't it ano mean like this or something like that?
あの本です
That
か
one. Okay, that one there. Means that one. Okay. Sono chino sadan. Yeah.
その
That one again. Wasn't there just two? Wasn't the one before that one as well? Hold on, I swear there was like two of them that said so. The two of them that was translated to that one right there. Sono, and then I forgot what the other one is. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know.
全然テレビを全然見ません
Zenzen. No, Zenzen. It looks like that's kind of like a building, right? Let me be annoying and try something about when you finish this. All right, go ahead and be as annoying as you want to. I do not mind. Zenzen, not at all. I'm not gonna remember that house and then like those things. Dono. I should know this as well.
どの
Which
ど
one?
の本ですか
Dono, which one? Okay. Something ru.
見る
兄は
Miru.
毎日テレビを見ます
It's just me. Why don't you just write the hiragana? Why do you have to have kanji as well? If it's just a single translation, If it's just a single character, Alright, miru. Miru looks like that. Suru.
する
Do.
彼はテニスをします
Suru do. Okay. What was that? Okay. No clue. Cannot pronounce that
先
either.
生
Sensei.
私は日本語の先生になりたいです
Sensei. I learned that in Japan in Duolingo like last week because I did them. Listen, I've been making progress on my Duolingo, okay? I've been like actually doing stuff because I stopped. Originally, I was just learning the hiragana and katakana, well, specifically hiragana on Duolingo, and that took forever. Which is why I wanted to do it on stream because it was taking me forever to get through the hiragana. But it's actually like a lot faster to go through like the words in Duolingo than it is the hiragana. The hiragana is so slow for it to teach you. God damn, it takes so long to learn hiragana and katakana off Duolingo. Do not learn the written language off of Duolingo. Just use Duolingo for like words. For the words. Getting the words down on point. Sensei. Naru.
なる。
日本語の
Become
勉強が
naru.
好きになりました。
Okay. That.
面白い。
面白い。
全然面白くなかった。
面白い。What? 面白い。Oh, 面白い。Okay. 面白い。面白い。ください。ください。That means please. I know that one.
ください。
Please.
をください。
I know that one. I know that one. I know, listen, I know kudasai. I know what kudasai is. Listen, there's one word in Japanese that I know the meaning of and how to write. It's kudasai. Something
教える。
教える。
あなたの名前を教えてください。
No clue what either of these are.
名前。
名前。
あなたの名前を教えてください。
Soy, like soy sauce. Soy. That's not E. That's not E at all. That's K. That's soke. Soke. That's soke. I don't know why I thought that was E for a second. That's soke.
そこ。
Soko, not K. Soko. Why did I mix up ko and K? I know there's a difference between those two. Soko. There. Soko. Also, I'm tired, by the way. If I'm getting things wrong, it's because I'm tired. I'm always tired.
ここ。
Even though I feel like I slept well last night. Here, Koko. Koko, here. Aru. Oh, that means there, right?
ある。
縁がある。
Okay, aru is have. Aru have. Asoko. Asoko. Like,
あそこ。
over there.
彼はそこにいます。
I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of Anki. I don't know why. I don't know why, but whenever I do Anki, I feel like nothing's retaining in my head. I feel like flashcards do not work well for me at all. I am not. I do not gather data from flashcards. None of this is being retained in my head at all. Part of it could be because I'm just tired, right? I don't even know why I feel like I slept well last night. And then I spent all day playing Silk Song after I woke up doing Steel Soul. And then I start streaming this, and maybe it's the music. Hold on, I might have to change this music to like something more energetic, because I feel like this music might actually be putting me to sleep right now. This music might actually be putting me to sleep. I have no idea what this is.
今。
Ima.
彼は今。
Ima.
勉強しています。
I might have to change the music, or at the very least put something on specifically in my ears. Leave this going on stream. Because it's kind of putting me to sleep. Ima now. Doko.
どこ。
Doko.
あの
Where?
本をどこに置きました。
Where? Doko. Where? Wait, hold on. There was another thing that was like doso, right? No, domo. Which was also like where? Or is domo like where is it? Something. Domo was also something about where. It had something to do with like the position of something. Where is it? Where did you put it? Where's that thing? Something along those lines. Doko is also where. Hold on, I need to check. Doko versus Doko. Doko is where? What place? Where? What place? Domo. Domo. What? Eh. First person plural? Humble? Second or third person plural? Implies speakers of a higher... Those good for nothing layabouts were slacked. Ah. Like, however. I could have sworn Domo was where. I think I could, unless I'm just crazy. I could be crazy. Listen, I'm already crazy. We already know that I'm crazy. Sorry for opening up the game a second time and you just see it twice. I don't know what this is. What is this? I've probably seen it before. Forgot it.
毎日日本語を勉強します。
Every day. 毎日. 2.9 minutes. That's another thing that I do not like about Anki. At the bottom here, it will, like, it's not going to show me this again. At the bare minimum, 10 minutes, right? If I click again, it's going to show up 10 minutes from now. But the next time it shows up is going to be 5 days after that, right? So I can click again, it'll show up in 10 minutes. But after that, it's going to be 5 days. And it's going to show up in 1.2 months. And then 2.9 months. How am I supposed to retain all this knowledge? I'm going to forget this in 2.9 months. Huh? Also, why is it 2.9? Why don't you just put an even 3? Why? Why don't you just put an even number there? Why? Oh. Alright. Something.
ない。
ない。
今はあまり時間がないのです。
ない。Amori. Amori means like over there.
あまり
Or not
ス
very
ポ
much.
ーツ
Though.
はあま
Not
り
very
好
much.
き
I've
じゃあ
already
り
forgotten
ま
what
せ
that
ん。
was. Amori. Something cool.
置く。
あの
Oku.
本をどこに置きましたか
Put in that place. Okay. Ii. We've seen this one before.
いい
Good.
人はいい人です。
Sorry, I was thinking Duolingo also told me a word that was similar. They told me nice. And I'm blanking on what nice means in Japanese. Yasashi. That's what it is. They also told me about hito. Hito means person, but they told me the hiragana, not the kanji for it. So, that. Hito, that person. Wa. Again, not entirely sure why wa is there. Ano hito wa ii.
いい
Ano hito wa ii hito desu. Right. I don't remember that one, I'm not gonna lie. That person?
時間。
Time.
今は時間がありません。
Another thing, you can't just go back and forth. So it's like, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not sure how I feel about Anki. Like as an application, I'm not sure how I feel about this thing. I'm not the biggest fan of this.
家。
Yeah.
ここが私の家です。
Are. I know it's not ara, but my brain went from re to ra. Ara. So I don't know how to make a spicy ara sound. I can do an ooh that's kind of spicy, but not an ara. I don't know how to make like a nice deep voice that's also hot and also be feminine, kind of.
あれ
Are.
あれは何ですか
I can make like a kind of a high-pitched, hot female-ish voice, but not a deep. Sono.
その
That one, yeah.
何ですか
It was sono. No, I know that's not right. Dono. Dono versus dore. Dono versus dore. Which? What way? Doko. So dono versus doko. So dono is also, isn't this the kanji nani? Isn't this nani right here? Yes. Dono. This is dono. Which? What way? Doko. Where? What place? Oh, it was where versus which. Oh, my brain is dyslexic as hell. That is. I was right. That is the kanji for what? This is the kanji for what? Okay, so the kanji for what? When you put no or ko after it, it changes the pronunciation. So this is like by itself, it's gonna be like nani, right? Nani, and then you know you put no next to it, and then it sounds like a do instead. Oh my gosh, I'm learning the kanji. I'm learning the kanji. Also, I'm actually proud to remember that was nani. I actually remember that is the kanji for nani. Which impresses me because I'm smart. I'm a genius. Clearly, I'm a genius. What was this again? Inno, no, kono. That one? This one. That one, this one. Asoko. That one there. Over there. Ano. That one. Yeah, that one there. Okay. Listen, I'm just saying the same thing over and over. Eventually I'll get it right. Something good. We've seen this one before. I've already forgotten what it was. Miru.
毎日テレビを見ます。
Miru. See, look. Dono. Oh my gosh, Dono. We were just complaining about this one. This is which?
Dono.
Yeah, which? Which one? Okay. Suru. I remember. Do make. Okay. I remember seeing this. I don't remember what it is. This sensei? Is this sensei? Oh, it's zenzen. It's not at all. It's not at all. It's sensen. I thought it was sensei. It's zenzen, not sensei. Doko, which? Where? Thanks, well. That one's sensei. Yeah, sensei. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get that because I remembered the kanji. I got that right because I knew that sensei was in here and it was going to be a repeat one eventually, and I kind of just guessed that this is probably sensei. I kind of just bullshitted that. I would never get this correct in a million years, and you just showed it to me randomly. Naru. Become. Okay. Something.
面白い。
面白い。
この本は全然面白くなかった。
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think this is it. I do not think this is a productive way of studying Japanese. I'm gonna be fully honest with Chief. I do not think this is working very well for me. Something.
名前。あなたの名前を教えてください。
名前。Wait. Also ads. I'm gonna pause that for like 2 minutes. I'm pausing. I'm writing in the wrong. Oh no, I'm writing in the wrong fucking alphabet. I'm writing in Japanese. That's not English. I need English. I need an English keyboard. Hold on. I need English keyboard, not Japanese keyboard. Oopsies. I was writing the wrong. I was typing in Japanese. I tried typing pause and I started writing hiragana. Fuck. E. Don't laugh at my pain and suffering. E. What is this? Here, Koko. I don't know why I said E. I know that's not E. That's Koko. Here. Something iru.
教える。
える。
あなたの名前を教えてください。
教える。Teach. Soko. Soko is over there?
そこ
There.
そこは
Okay.
トイレです。
I was right. Hey. Toilet this. I guess that's where the toilet is. Something Ru. No clue what this is.
帰る。うちに帰ろう。
Kairu.
うちに帰ろう。帰る。
Kai.
帰る。帰る。帰る。帰る。帰る。帰る。
Hold on.
帰る。
Kai. It sounds like it's saying Kai. Like they're saying the I sounding. Right? Hey. Kai. Eh.
帰る。帰る。うちに帰ろう。
I don't know if it's just me tired. Am I forgetting what this sounds like? What sounds like? E. Or is it just specifically this sentence that where it takes this hiragana and makes it sound like the other one? Kore.
これ
これは日本語の本です。
This. I have no idea.
話。あなたの話は面白いね。
She talk about this to it. Okay. No clue what this is.
私
It kind of looks like a
はアン
mole.
です。
Watashi wa Hurden desu. Alright. With that, yeah, break time. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this is productive. I'm gonna be fully honest. Coach, I do not think that Anki is working out very well for me. I do not feel like I'm processing the information. And what's even worse is that this information is not going to show up again for like 2.7 months. Why is it not going to show up again for 2.7 months? You know what, we don't question it. Like, again, I don't think like Anki is away. Which is a shame because this is a really popular application for like studying language, right? It's a really popular flashcard application. But I just feel like this is not productive for me specifically. Maybe it works for other people. And if it does, good for you. I'm happy that it works for you. But it does not work for me. And so I think this is a bust. I'm going to be honest. I might try it for like a couple of days because I set it up on my PC to where it opens automatically whenever I turn my PC on. So I'm going to try it out for like a little bit. But I'm going to be honest, I don't think it's productive. I don't think it works very well. At least for me specifically. So on that note, we're going to play 3 minutes of ads. That way there's no prequels for with Sabai. At the same time, I will take a break. That way I don't miss any of your ads. Let me come back because I think I might stop Anki for right now because I really don't think this is productive. And instead, what we'll be doing is we'll be trying to figure out what else to do. So on that note, I might see after the ads. Ah. Hello, I am back. Sorry, I have food in my mouth. Because I went and grabbed some snackies. Some high sugary snackies to wake me up. I get that sugar in my system, you know? Hey! That ended right as we come back from the mats. Food. Gotta love the food. You know what's fun? I ate food like an hour and a half ago. Actually, a little bit more than that. Around 2 hours ago. And now I'm eating more. I'm not even that hungry right now. I literally just grabbed snacks because I was like, okay, I'm tired. Easiest way to wake myself up? Food. What is that? What the hell did I grab? I thought I grabbed Cheez-Its. I grabbed Cheez-Its snack mix. I thought I grabbed normal Cheez-Its. What the fuck is this? I wanted the normal Cheez-Its. I wanted the normal square cheese things. This just got Cheez-Its and then like crackers and then like the fucking stick doodad things in here. I don't want that. I just want the cheesy thingies. Oh, I'm literally gonna be a picky eater and just only eat the square Cheez-Its and eat nothing else. I'm not gonna eat the pretzels or anything else in there. Oh. Oh. Why did I grab that? I thought that was Cheez-Its. But anyways, on the topic of studying, let's not go back to Anki. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like Anki is a bit of a bust. So instead, I'm going to go to try and figure out what to do. Because I'm gonna be honest, I have ideas, but I don't know if like those ideas will fall under the category of like studying. Because we could just like switch this up and just start download a visual novel. Because I do have some visual novels. I own visual novels. I can like change the language to Japanese and just like read those and then try and translate it. Because I'm not gonna understand things. Okay, Hurden, let's see if we can do this. Yes. What am I doing? Show me. Show me the things that I be doing. I'm checking Discord right now. Because I had a ping. Also eating another snack. Wolfing down another snack. We already know words, but I don't know if it's a good idea to start playing difficult words. So let's try something. Alright. You know, we could go straight into difficult words. To be honest, that might be easier for me. Like, the reason why Anki isn't working for me is because my attention span. I'm not going to lie. Like, I cannot, for the life of me, focus while doing this. It's too slow. And then it's also like not gonna come back again fast enough. Like this does not sit well with my goldfish attention span. So Anki is just not gonna work super well. Duolingo and like the stuff that we normally been doing on stream, like the Kana grinding game, that works fine-ish. Like yeah, it's a bit slow, but at least it's fast enough. I can actually get my head around it. This is not it. The Anki isn't it. I'm down for ideas. Also, wait. Oh, I'm gonna That reminds me. Something that I bought a long time ago. And I forgot about this. I have a game on Steam called Learn Japanese to Survive, Kanji Combat. And this is an idea. There are Japanese study games. There was another one that was interesting to me that I forgot what the name is. Did I wishlist it? Oh, hold on. I need to check to see if I wishlisted it or not. I really hope I did. Fuck, I don't think I wishlisted it. But there was another one. There was this game and there was another Japanese game that was a bit more positively rated. than this one. Which I wish I could find it again. Because I don't remember the name of it. Because it actually looked, the other one looked a lot more fun and enjoyable than this game, I'm not gonna lie. The game kind of looks like whatever. Actually, I have like 3 Japanese games, by the way. I have Learn Japanese to Survive, Hiragana Battle, Katakana War, and also Kanji Combat. There's 3 separate games, one of each. Your mission is to give me the Japanese version of this sentence. I eat sushi every day. Okay. Hold on. Sushi, I know how to say sushi. Why? Because Duolingo taught me that. That's just sushi, right? Now, every day, I've learned every day. I've forgotten what it was, but I learned it, alright? I learned what every day was. It's every day, bro, with that Disney Channel flow. Remember me when I'm Jake and Paul. Me when I'm Jake and Paul. Not Jake Paul, Jake and Paul. And I'm singing a terrible song. It's an interesting idea. Yeah, that is an idea that I had. Instead of like being in the studying category, we can just like change this to like a specific game. And then just do the game instead. Because that would probably be. Also, I'm glad I didn't show my I'm currently looking at Steam, by the way. I'm glad I didn't show it because right now there's just porn on my screen. Because I was looking in the recommendations, like more like this, and porn just showed up. Because of course I did. I was like, I'm wondering if I could find the other game that I'm thinking of if I can go to the more like this section, and then the first thing is just porn. Thank you Steam, thank you Steam so much. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that a lot, actually. Every day, what is every day? I feel like I should be able to say every day. I feel like I should know every day. But I can't. So instead, I'm going to cheat and look it up. I'm not gonna do that. Eat. Eat is... I don't know how to say eat either. I also appreciate that. Thank you, Steam. Thank you, Steam. Oh, thank you, Steam, so much for just showing porn games I will give you banned on stream if I show them. Thank you, Steam. Thank you, Steam, so much. Thank you. We all appreciate you. Eat, though. I should also be able to say that. I should also be able to say eat. I should know that. Eat. I haven't learned it from Duolingo. Nor have I learned every day from Duolingo. Eat should be... Oh, I'm blanking. Ikutaki? Itataki? Or is that... Or is that just food? Itataki. Itataki sushi. Itataki sushi desu would be like, I eat sushi. I think. And then every day... What would every day be? Oh, every day. Every day. Every day. I don't know every day. I'd have to cheat for every day. In fact, I did cheat. My. Yeah, my. Mainichi. Oh, mainichi. That's what it was. It was mainichi. This is every day. Mainichi. So, itataki sushi desu mainichi? Or, no, grammar. Mainichi itataki sushi desu. Would it be that? I also might be saying eat wrong. I'm pulling that out of memory. Like, the only thing I cheated for was every day. I cheated and looked up what every day meant. But I believe eat is itataki. But I also could be wrong about that. It could be. I have another answer. What is the answer? What is the actual correct answer? Because I'm dumb. I can almost probably guess that I'm saying it incorrectly or being dumb about it. Well, let me just look up what is itataki? Itataki. I'm pretty sure that's like itataki. What? To roast. That's iru. What? Ta. Was it ida documents? Itataki? Itataki? Hold on, I'm blanking. I don't know the like fully how to write it, but in Japanese, I often hear, or in anime at the very least, I often hear itadakimasu when people want to say like thank you for the food. So I was like pulling itadaki and saying like, oh, is that food? And like masu is like thank you for the food. It's like thank you. That's where I was going with, by the way, when I said itadaki, but that might not be right. Of course, it's not right, so. Watashi wa mainichi sushi o tabimasu. Watashi wa mainichi sushi o tabimasu. Huh. I thought it'd be desu at the end of that. You're saying that you eat something. I thought like watashi wa would be like specifically for like your name, like watashi wa Hurdensplurgen or watashi wa Hurdensplurgen. She. Watashi wa. Watashi wa. How is watashi wa used, like, grammatically? No. Watashi wa mainichi sushi o tabemasu. Hold on, is otabimasu eat? Then? Oh, also I was close. I was close on the pronunciation of the word. Because I said takimasu, right? Or takimasu, or I don't even know what I said. I knew it was something like that. I knew the word was something along the lines of tabimasu. I was just wrong in pronouncing it. I was pronouncing it very incorrectly because I didn't know like the actual way to say it. But tabimasu, okay, that's food. Or like eat, right? Thank you for the food. Eat. I eat food. Yes, that. Eat food. It means those same things. That's what tabimasu means. Mainichi is every day. But also, I thought it would be mainichi sushi tabimasu days. That's what I was thinking at the very least. Also, I'm pretty sure it would be watashi mainichi sushi wa tabimasu. Or what? Because I think the wa, or at the very least from what I've seen, the wa is like the point of the sentence. It's like the main thing in the sentence, the thing that you're talking about. Well, I guess it's you doing a thing, so wa would actually make sense there. Never mind. I don't know grammar. I don't know English grammar. I don't even know English grammar, much less Japanese grammar. What the hell am I talking about? Change I to you. How would you do that? Oh, that's a good question. You. I have not learned that from Duolingo yet. I can tell you what I could tell you she eats sushi every day. I can tell you what he eats sushi every day is. I know how to say both of those. She eats sushi, he eats sushi. I could say those. But you, I can't do that. What is you? I should remember this though, because I saw it from Anki, but I forgot already. I've completely forgotten how to do that. Because of course I did. You is anata wa mainichi sushi o tabemasu. See, listen, I can't remember the words. I can remember what the letters are. I just can't remember what the words are. Again, because, you know, where I've learned all the words was from Anki. In Anki, I cannot process that information. It just doesn't stick with me. Again, like I'm showing you, like, right now, the words that I learned off Anki, off the thing that I was doing like 20 minutes ago. That just doesn't work for me. It just doesn't work. I cannot keep that information in my head. I cannot process that information. Which sucks, because that's how it is. Okay, so Atashi is I, Anata is you. What is he and she? He and she is this. At least that's what I believe from Duolingo. Because like you would say, she's a teacher, right? You say, teacher desu, right? Or I'm a teacher, teacher desu. Teacher desu. Or no, specifically you'd be like, okay, Hana, she is a teacher. You'd be like, Hana, teacher desu. Or something along those lines. But again, I'm not sure of the grammar of it. I know desu, des, is something that means he, she, I, it. It means all of those. It's a pronoun that means all of them simultaneously. Because it's not a gender. Japanese isn't a gendered language, right? So he and she is the same thing. But I might be a little incorrect with it, which is also why I thought Watashi wasn't in that sentence earlier. Because of that. I'm pretty sure to say like he and she is desu. You might be right. Am I right? I could also be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's what desu means. Desu. But I found options for he, for she, and he. Then what are those options? What are the options that you found? Kare wa mainichi sushi o tabemasu. He eats sushi every day. Kare wa. Kare. As a kare. Then when do you use desu in the sentence? Maybe it's not. Maybe you use desu. Okay, for one, it's a grammatical thing, right? but maybe you use that only when you're talking about what a person is and not what a person is doing. Because I looked up the definition of desu and it says be is, right? So I think desu, it means all those things. He, she, it, is, me, I'm, right? I, all those things. But only when you're talking about like someone being something, right? So if I wanted to say that I am a teacher, I'd say, sensei desu, right? Meaning I am a teacher. Or watashi wa sensei desu. She is a teacher's sensei desu. I'd use the name of the person and be like, Rai chatter desu. Because you're a chatter. I don't know how to say chatter in Japanese. I don't even know if there is a word for chatter. It'd be chataru. Chataru desu. But for right now, I wanna find something real quick. I wanna find the game that I was talking about before. Because I know where I found the game. I know how I found the game. And I'm tracking back my steps. Here we go. Learn Japanese RPG, Hiragana Forbidden Speech. And this game also has like a kanji mode as well. Apparently. Supposedly. A bit more of the grammar. Yeah, you have to be able to learn a bit more of the grammar. Yeah, I'm thinking so as well. Because like the only grammar that I've learned is from Duolingo. Like all the grammar that I've learned is just from Duolingo and nothing else. As little bit as I've heard. This is the game that I thought about. I don't own this game. It's $20. Maybe I'll buy it, maybe I won't. I'll have to think about it if it's a game that I want. But it also has a kanji mode with 136 kanji. Not all too much. But learn Japanese by playing a game. Boy, hey. And it also has a story, so maybe it'll work better with my thinking span. Abenai. Doesn't that mean watch out? Dangerous, watch out. Yeah. See, listen, I know some Japanese. I do know some Japanese. It's just like roughly strung together. It's just like the bits and pieces that I picked up like from watching anime. Korewa. This is monster bakemono. That's a monster. Okay. I could also make this full screen, which I probably should be making this full screen. My boobs might be blocking a little bit of the video, but it's bigger now, so you can see it more. So what I'm typing down there, Yi? I'm typing the English pronunciation, or am I typing the actual word? Hold on, am I typing the actual meaning of the word there? Oh, that just means yes. Oh, English meaning, okay. So I have to actually learn the words here. E. Eh. Okay. Also, ignore the fact that I just left the game music playing as well in the background. The lo-fi music. This is the game that I was thinking of playing. I own 3 other games, right? This is the game that I think I was gonna play. I was thinking of playing because this seems like the highest quality one. I also have Japanese 3 games here. Learn Japanese to Survive, Hiragana Battle, Katakana War, and Kanji Combat, which I believe all 3 of these are visual novels.
Learn Japanese to survive. Hiragana Battle.
That also came out back in 2016.
Designed as an introduction to learning Japanese. Hiragana is the basic writing system used in Japanese. It's a set of characters
Oh my gosh, is it?
With this game, you'll learn how to read and write all of the hiragana characters. As a bonus, you'll learn Japanese words, phrases, grammar,
Okay.
and punctuation.
Yasai.
You'll
Yasai
embark on a
vegetable.
camping journey that will take you from your small, sleepy village to the heart of Japan itself. Visit Tokyo City, Mount Fuji, mystic temples, and more.
Okay.
Complete side quests along the way, with each quest teaching you more Japanese. Fight against hordes of hiragana enemies. You'll need to select the correct translation in order to defeat them.
Are all three games are basically the same thing like that, except for it's, you know, going from kanji to combat, or kanji to combat, and going from like hiragana to kanji. So this music's going hard. So incoming copyright, incoming copyright, incoming muted Twitch VOD because I listened to that for like 5 seconds. Which we could play this. We absolutely could play this because I own this game, right? I also own the other ones. But also I just don't know what to do. I don't know if I actually want to do that or I want to do something else. I don't know what to do. I'm indecisive. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I didn't think this far ahead. Listen, when I decided to do studying stream, I did not think this far ahead. I'm gonna be honest. Not think far enough ahead. I did not plan well enough. And that makes me a bad dreamer. Because unfortunately, usually I do think far enough ahead about all my ideas I have on stream. And this time I didn't. Oopsies. Oopsies, 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 oopsies. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. I should not be scrolling on this. I should not be scrolling down on this. I just realized I am showing this on stream. I should not scroll down on this in case there's like hentai in there. I forget what type of activities go on Steam. I forget that sometimes. I forget that sometimes. I forgot for a second I was showing my screen. Oopsies, oopsies. How about we just stop showing my screen and go back to this for a second? So I can actually look at stuff without getting banned. Just in case. That's not what I'm gonna click on. I'm gonna look at the game. I'm going to the discussion boards. Oh, you have MATLAB. Yes! Thank you for noticing my hotboard where I have MATLAB and Mathematica. Makes sense. I mean, yeah. MATLAB is made for like engineers and physicists. People who do research. I absolutely have MATLAB. I didn't pay for it. I'm gonna be 100% clear. I did not pay for that shit. I got it from my university when I was in college, and I think I still actually have free access to it. That shit is too expensive. MATLAB and Mathematica both. Those applications are so expensive. They're so expensive for what it gives you, right? If you want to get into programming, do not spend like however much money it costs for MATLAB. How expensive is MATLAB? How much does MATLAB cost? Because I know it's like stupidly expensive. I have to sign in. I want to see what the pricing was. What the price on this shit? Because I know it's really expensive. It's like $150 for a personal license. It's so expensive. Don't buy MATLAB. Just get Python. For me, it never had a real life application. That is fair. That is incredibly fair. But at the same time, MATLAB isn't made for real life applications. It's made for engineers and physicists to experiment and like produce actual like results, right? It is optimized for that sole purpose. And that sole purpose alone, right? Because it's designed for you to connect tools to your computer that you typically wouldn't, that normally in everyday life, in real life, that you wouldn't be connecting to your computer. Like there's no reason like a normal everyday person would have a, or even a normal just programmer, right? There's no way a programmer, your average programmer, is gonna have like a wave function machine. They're not gonna have, the average programmer doesn't even know what a wave function is. I don't know what a wave function is. So I'm not gonna know what anything about that. They're not gonna use MATLAB ever. So it's like something that true, but people in the engineering field don't give a fuck. That is also true. That is also true. At the same time, engineers kind of just approximate shit. They don't know how it works. Exactly. They just approximate shit. Like to an engineer, pi isn't 3.1415 blah 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 blah. Pi is 3. They approximate everything. They don't know shit. They don't know how shit works somewhere. They go to the engineer explains it to them. They're like, all right, you got it, bus. Baby, what's the answer? Okay, that's the answer. Plug it into my calculator. The physicist is the one that makes the calculator. The engineer uses the calculator to get the answer, right? That's how it goes, basically, in life. I like MATLAB, though. Like, as a programming language, I do like it. I appreciate it. I don't get to use it much since I'm not in school. But also just use Python. Python's better. Yep, it was better to learn VBA. At least for me. What is VBA? I don't know what VBA is. I don't know what VBA is. Visual Basics for applications? For Office? Oh, okay, so it's like home office things. Unless you're talking about something else. Microsoft Office applications. It's the thing to code in Excel. And automate things. You see, I do know that. I do know that coding can exist in Excel. I've never done it before in my life because I hate Microsoft products. I'm gonna be honest, I hate Microsoft products. I've used Word and PowerPoint because, you know, schools basically force you to use that, but I fucking hate Microsoft products with a passion. Those things don't work. So instead I usually just like if I want programming, or really if I do programming nowadays, it's usually it's typically in Python or it's in Bash, right? It's usually in one of those two. Bash, by the way, is the Linux language. Fair, but everyone uses it, so it's really convenient. That is also true. That is also true. Everyone uses it, so it's convenient. That is very valid. And unfortunate. Because, I'm gonna be honest, everyone being forced to use, or everyone using something isn't really a good thing sometimes, right? Like that is a very valid reason to use it. Everyone uses it, so I gotta use it because, like, you know, it's the standard. But if the standard is ass, and it is ass because Windows is ass, Microsoft products are ass, it's just a pain. Like for personal use, I would never in a million years use Excel. But if I have to make a spreadsheet and turn it into it for a class project, or if I had a job that required me to turn in a spreadsheet to my boss, then Excel's the way to go. Entirely fair. Can't criticize that because your boss, your teacher, probably doesn't know how to use fucking LaTeX. They probably don't know how to use a data file in Linux, or just make a pure data file, right? A pure data file works. They probably can't read shit in Linux. They don't do it. They don't know crap. Also, this has turned into basically just a just chatting stream at this point. It's not even studying anymore. I have not been studying. That's why I end up learning it. And that is very fair and based of you. You gotta learn the standard, unfortunately, in life. Because no one else knows. No one else knows anything else. Right. So the Japanese. Yeah, Japanese. We were learning that. Oh yeah, the Japanese. I have to make a decision. I do. I, the streamer, have to make a decision on how to study things and what to do. Because, I'm gonna be honest, flashcards aren't working. Flashcards are not going to be it for Michi, because that just didn't work at all. So I can either, like, you know, play one of the games that I showed, or I can go and like watch videos of being like oh, this is like the basic grammar of blah 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 of Japanese. This is how you say hi, hello, it's me, Hurden. How are you? I'm good. That's great. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. I'm blanking on what bye bye is. I learned that off of Japanese. Japanese? I learned that off of Duolingo. Literally, like today and yesterday and the day before. Janne. That's what it was. Janne. Bye bye. Janne. I also learned like see you tomorrow, but I forgot what that one was. Bozo? No, not Bozo. Bing Yoshi. No, that's lawyer? Yeah, lawyer. What is see you tomorrow in Japanese? I forgot about that. You know, it'd be really easy if Duolingo was free. That would be really convenient because I don't want to spend money on Duolingo and I could just like study Duolingo on stream, right? I could do that. I could absolutely do that. But no, Duolingo has to cost money. If I remember, there's a streamer that I watch who is talking about like Duolingo and like the alternative to some other alternatives to Duolingo. Also, I just hold on, I have to show this. I have to show this real quick. I just saw something stupid. I googled Duolingo because it's gonna search something up, and I just saw something stupid. I saw something really fucking dumb. I looked up Duolingo and like one of the first things I see, why is Duolingo LGBTQ? Question mark. Why is the Duolingo bird gay? Why is the green bird gay? Why are you gay? Why are you gay? What? Look, why are you gay? You can't see him because my model is blocking. Why are they gay? Why is bird gay? That was the first thing I saw when I looked it up. Why not? Why? You know, very good, very good answer. Why not? Anyone can be gay, even birds. I think a male bird kissing another bird. That's just you know, them being happy. You know, I wish them the best of luck. But going back to what I was talking about, there's a streamer that I watched who was talking about Duolingo before and an alternative to Duolingo, and I don't remember what it was. Tita, why can't you be streaming right now so I can go ask you? I need you, Tita. Where are you? I need to ask you a question. What was that app that you were talking about before? Like, sometimes when you stream. I don't remember what it was. Because maybe that would have been a good one. I don't even know if it's free, but... Yeah, Rosetta Stone's a thing as well. Rosetta Stone is also a thing. Is this free? Because I do not want to spend money. I know I'm trying to learn a language and I have a job and I can spend money to learn things. But at the same time, I'm a cheapo. Listen, I have a job That means I have money and I can spend things and buy things. But I don't wanna. Do you think you can read anything in hiragana without a problem? Yes. Katakana, I should be able to read katakana, but I might make some mistakes. I should be able to, but hiragana, I am like 95% confident that I can read it. I've studied hiragana enough. I'm like 95% confident that I can read anything. Which, you know, still a 5% margin of error. But remember, I've only been studying Japanese for about a month and a half, so. Actually, no, it's not a month and a half, I lied. It's like 3 months now. 3 months? No, it's 2.5 months. How long did I start studying Japanese? What's my Duolingo streak at? I think it's like 75, which is like about 2.5 months. So I think a 95% accuracy rate for 2.5 months, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. It's a lot better than 95% for English, and considering that I've been reading English for the past fucking like 18 years of my life. 18? No, more than 18. When the hell did I? When do children speak their first word? When do children start reading, huh? Like when they're 2 or something? Okay, so you better read this first try. Alright. Alright, I will 100% read your first try. Oh, come on. Kon. Ni. Chi. Wa. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, Rai-san. Rai-san. Konnichiwa, Rai-kun. I read it. I know that one. I know it. I also know konbawa. I also recognize that because I know that because Duolingo has been teaching me that recently. That's literally like one of the last things I've learned off of Duolingo. Is it konnichiwa? Konnichiwa. Hi, hello, good afternoon. Yes. And then konbanwa is like good evening. Konbanwa. Oh. Oh ha. Oh hyo. Wait, that's not ha, that's... No, that is ha. Oh ha. Yo. Ohio. Ohio! It's Ohio! Holy shit, it's the city Ohio! Ignore the fact that Ohio is a state. It's the city Ohio. It's the American city Ohio, not the state. Don't get confused with the state. The city. Oh ha. Yo. Does that change the hyo? Yeah. Hyo. So ohyo. 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 Go. Ohyo go. Ohyo go. Ohyo go. Gi. I think. Hold on, I need to move this to my main monitor. That's too small for me to see. Gi. Masu. Oh. Ohyo. Ohyo. Ohyo-yuku. Oh gosh. Sorry, tongue twister. My tongue is getting all tied up. Oh. Go. Oh. Gi. Masu. Ohyo. 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 Go. Imasu. I don't know what that means, but I can read it. I can read that. Ohio. Ohio. Does ha and yo not combine? Do they not combine? Is there no hiragana combination for those two? I thought they combined together. Do they not combine? No, they do combine. What? So why is it Ohio instead of hyo? Why is it ha-yo instead of hyo? Gozaimasu. Oh yeah, that's right. Ki goes that. Wait, that's not ki. What is that? Oh, sorry. That looks like ki because it's so small on my fucking monitor. Why is Twitch chat so small? I don't know why. It's so much more difficult to read that because it's so tiny. That is not ki. That looks like ki, kind of. That is not ki. That's sa. That's sa. Which sa goes to za. So gozaimasu. Yeah, that's right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's morning time. Good morning. Oh, hyo. Konbanwa. 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 I know that one. Konbanwa. Good evening. That's another thing that I know. Good evening, yes. That one I know. Let me move this to the main monitor. Like here, saw. That's saw. Okay, there's not a second line. Sorry, it's hard to tell sometimes because how tiny it is. Sa and yo. This. I don't think the S's don't. There's no hiragana combinations for S, right? No, there is. No, there's not. So that doesn't combine. No, that doesn't. So it's sayo. Sayo. Sayonara. 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 Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. So wait, sayonara is goodbye. So then what's gyozo? Because shouldn't gyozo also mean bye? Or jozo? What was it? On gyozo, right? Oh, I need to check Duolingo again. Hold on. I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry, I'm losing tracking for a second, but I'm checking Duolingo to make sure I'm actually learning the right words or saying the right thing. Yeah, gyozo. Or, you know, gyo. Oh. Jane. So wait, what's the difference between sayonara and jane? What is the difference between sayonara and jane? I need to look this up. What's the difference between sayonara and jane? Oh, I didn't even notice you put another thing. I apologize. I did not notice that at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oyasu. Oyasu. Oyasumi. Oyasumi. Nasai. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi. Oyasu. Nasai. I mean, yes, I don't remember what that is. I should know what it is. I absolutely should know what that is. Oyasu. No, it's good night. 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 I remember. It's good night. Yeah. I remember. So what's the difference between sayonara, and the other one? Sayonara, goodbye, so far, fair long. Jane. Is not, what? See you, bye, ciao. Okay, so Jane is like a familiar, whereas sayonara is like formal, right? I think that's it. I think that's the difference. Also, don't worry. Sorry, I'm dumb. I will still worry. Needlessly. I think that's the difference. I think that's the difference between the two. I think a sayonara is a formal goodbye, whereas janne is a is not formal. The other thing besides formal, which I'm blanking on the name of right now. Oh. Japanese, the Japanese. Alright, what was I doing? I don't remember what I was doing. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, I was looking up stuff to like see what else I want to do. Like, what would be a good thing to do on stream for like learning Japanese, right? Because Duolingo is a paid application. I can't do Duolingo on stream. As much as I'd want to do Duolingo on stream, I can't do Duolingo on stream, right? Because A, I don't want to pay money for it. B, if I don't pay money for it, it means I can only do like 5 minutes of Duolingo on stream, and then no more. Rosetta Stone is another paid language. It's another paid application. Why are they all paid? Why is there nothing free? Why is all the language learning applications free? I mean, paid. Why is there none that are free? Where is all the free languages? Apple. This doesn't have Japanese at all. Fuck it, let's do Japanese. Unironically, it's free. It would work, kind of. Not super well because it's ChatGPT. It's gonna get shit wrong. Of course it will. But unironically, right now, it's better than nothing. And it's free. I'm not gonna do ChatGPT. Because again, I don't want to get shit wrong, and ChatGPT does absolutely get shit wrong. All the time, by the way. It should be fairly accurate about like basic things. But like once you start asking like more difficult questions, it is absolutely going to give very difficultly wrong answers. This is busu. Over here in the basic part. Oh, that's incredibly fair. That's incredibly fair as well. That is also true and fair. I just don't want to use it. I just don't want to use ChatGPT. Oh, ChatGPT is dumb. Busu. A Chegg service. This is made by the same dudes who made Chegg. Learn for free? Is that really true? I don't think that's true. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you're scamming me. Is Busu actually free? What is Busu? Because it says made by Chegg. I feel like I'm gonna have to pay money for this as well. This. Why? Why are we gonna be free? Why are we being paid? You want to read the novel I said? I have no idea. And by which novel are you talking about? The Japanese ones? The kanji combat? Learn Japanese to survive. Is that even a novel? I don't know. Where's my actual visual novels that I have in my library? Hold on, I have so many games in my Steam library. I have to sort by visual. I have to sort it by tags in order to find what I'm looking for. Does this actually have a Japanese language? It does. Oh my god, it has a Japanese language. We could absolutely just read a Japanese do we just want to read a Japanese visual novel on stream? And then just start translating the words, translating the text? When we come across something that we're not going to understand because we absolutely won't understand it. We could absolutely do that. It's going to be painful and miserable, but we could absolutely do that. That is an idea that I have. Also, I like how I went this entire hour. Ads are about to start again in like a few minutes, but I've went the past hour without doing anything. I've just been rambling. I have not done a whole lot of studying. I've been trying to figure out what to do. Being indecisive. Hold on, I have a cough. It couldn't be so bad. It is fair. It can't be that bad. It can't be worse than doing nothing. That's for true. That's for true. I wonder if it's like more kanji or if it's actually just hiragana, katakana. Now, it's gonna be a mix of everything. Okay. This is gonna be like a pure like Japanese shit, right? It's gonna have kanji. It's gonna have hiragana. It's gonna have katakana. It's gonna have everything. Yippee! And I'm not gonna understand any of it. I'm launching the visual novel right now. I'm gonna see if I can't change the language. The Japanese inside of it. Also didn't open up full screen. Ah, oh no, I can't read that because that's kanji. You can't see it right now because it's not on screen. You can hear it though. It's also kind of loud. It's also kind of very loud. Why is it so loud? That is booming loud. Jesus Christ. Ah. Actually, it's fine. I just want to get to the settings. Does it have settings? I'm trying to get to like the main menu so I can like see the settings. I don't need all this extra stuff right now. Is it actually starting the light novel? Why is it starting the light novel right now? The story is going on. They're talking, they're doing things. I was just trying to open up and see if I can't get to like some settings and like change the language. Alright. Where's the setting at? Language. Ah! That's so loud. Japanese. I can't read that now. Ah! Wait, that's Chinese. I selected Chinese. That's not Japanese. That's Japanese. I accidentally selected Chinese because I didn't know what it was. Ah. Also, ads. Alright. And this time we're gonna play 3 minutes of ads. That way there's no pre-rolls from us. At the same time, we'll take a break. Then we don't need to see any ads. Before that, I'm gonna do this. I'm also gonna mute the game real quick. Mute the so you don't hear that or this. And now I'll take a break, and then I'll figure out what I want to do when I come back. I might also just end stream because I have no idea what I'm doing. This has not been a very productive stream, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, Spear me. Hello, it is I am Bax. And the ad's over. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna keep up with it with this Japanese studying streams. I really don't know what to do. For right now, I think we will just try out one of the Japanese headpads. Thank you for the headpads, I appreciate it. I'll take all the headpads. For now, I think we're gonna try out one of these games. One of these Japanese study games. Which one is it though? You want to go to Hiragana or just jump straight there? Like, I don't know. Should probably jump into the kanji one, shouldn't I? Because I think the Hiragana one's specifically to teach me about, or I think the Hiragana one's specifically to teach me about like Hiragana. Alright, so I will download this real quick. Kanji. Then we shall try this out. I'll try this out for an hour. And I'm gonna be honest, unless I have like a definitive idea of what to do next week, next Sunday, I might just not stream studying. Because I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of at a dead end as to what to do on stream. Unless my big old brain has like a genius, big brain, forehead idea. I might just not do it. Let me close out of this though. How do I quit this? How do I quit this? How do I quit this game again? Oh, how do quit? Where's exit? Where's the leak mail? Where's the leak mail? Oh, there it is. Maybe the big old button that says exit game, huh? Maybe the big old button that says the word exit game on it. You ever thought about that, Hurden? No? Alright. Thank you, Hurden, for being blind. Blind as a bat. I appreciate that. Where is this? This. There you go. So loud for me. I accidentally turned the music volume all the way down, which I did not mean to do. Kanji. That's exactly what we're doing. We're doing kanji right now. Oh yeah. So does it let me do full screen? I mean, well, kanji is the next step, isn't it? After learning hiragana and katakana. It's kind of the next step. How do I full screen this? Maybe it's the next step. I don't know. I don't know the best way to learn. I don't know nothing, chief. Oh, F4 is how I full screen. Oh, that's how I full screen it. I was looking for that. So maybe there's a better way to go about things, but I genuinely don't know. Who knows? I don't know nothing, folks. Anyways, let's start this. I want to learn Japanese to survive kanji combat. This game is designed to be an integrated course for learning Japanese kanji. This Japanese writing system is designed in 3 parts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. You don't need to understand hiragana, katakana before playing this game, but if you're interested in learning them, please take a look at the other games in the Learn Japanese Survive series. If you do have knowledge of hiragana, katakana, writing system, you will have an advantage when learning material in this game. Select your difficulty level. This can be changed at any time. I don't know, no knowledge of Japanese required. Hard mode. Understanding of hiragana required. So let's do hiragana, because I understand hiragana, I just don't know the words. Here's like hard mode. In this mode, you must understand hiragana. You learn kanji using hiragana readings. Start the game in hard mode. Yes. Now, get ready for your exciting adventure. Don't ask me what the voices I'm making there. Why is it still so loud? I turned it down so much. Why is this so loud? Let's go hard mode, baby. We gotta go the pure masochism route. Listen, every game I play, gotta play it on hard. Let me tell you what, every game I play, gotta play it on hard. What time is it? Am I clicking the game? I think it's still pretty early. Oh, my phone. Ash. Hey, it's me again. Sorry I didn't message you so early. Wanted to show you something. Oh, I found a click messenger. Also, where's the kanji and hiragana at? This is just English. Oh, what is it? Competition law. Like we could win. Is it worth a go, right? I can never resist a competition. What's the prize? I should have been the prize first. Haha. They'll freak out. Serious. Win a trip to Japan. What was that? All expenses paid. Oh, and catch. Haha. Sorry. What's the catch? It's a study trip. The company flies you there. You must have to study Japanese for 3 months. Please, and then you'll be something you'd like. Certainly. It sounds great. I'll apply right away. Nice. Happy to help. Let me know if you win. Good luck. A free trip to Japan. Sounds pretty good. Sorry, I can't even read English. I can't even read English. I'm trying to learn or trying to read Japanese. Okay, time to click this link. Let's see here. It's a standard application form. I can do this. Welcome. Thank you for interested in this competition. Anyway, 4 grand prizes. Each grand prize includes a return flight to Japan as well as a combination. In addition, a Japanese language. That's his language, not luggage. Luggage teacher. What is a luggage teacher? Language teacher has been appointed to teach the winning applicants for 3 months. In order to win the great prize, please fill in the following details. Question: what country do you live in? balls. That's my country. Balls. So you live in country balls, yes. Change the game. I need to learn English now. I have to change it. Learn English to survive. Please attach a photo of yourself. Let's go with the right photo, I guess. Because of the woman. This is the photo I want. Yes. Question, how would you describe your personality? I am reliable and honest. I am attractive. No, active and fit. I am serious about my studies. I'm determined and resilient. None of these describe me. Not a single one of these describe my personality at all. I am not reliable. I spread misinformation on the internet. I am not active. I do not work out. I don't study very much. But I am trying to learn Japanese, so I guess I am determined and resilient because I'll brute force any game until I get to victory. So, hey, I played all the Souls games. Does that count as being determined and resilient? Does that count? Does that count? Does that count? I guess we'll go with this. Because all of them do not describe me at all. I guess let's go with this. Doing describe me as determined and resilient? Yes. It counts, it counts, it counts, it counts. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I'm so resilient. I'm so big and strong. Because I beat Elden Ring. I beat Elden Ring. In Dark Souls, Bloodborne, and Demon Souls, and Sekiro. I'm so big and strong. And scary. We're nearly done with all the questions. Just one question remains. What is your name? No one saw that. No one saw me mistype butt. I put boo. I was gonna be funny and put butt fuck. And just be very casual about it. And I ended up misspelling butt. So your name is Buttfuck. All capitals too. You know, you gotta scream it every time you say it. Thank you for answering all our questions. I should cover my details before submitting. Is this correct? Name Buttfuck from Country Balls. Personally determined and resilient, yes. Looks good. Time to submit. Your application is now complete. Yeah, no, write that down, That I just doxed myself. That's my full legal name, Buttfuck from Balls Country. That's where I live. That's my name. Don't worry it out. Alright, so this competition will be announced very soon. We'll let you know if you're winning. Good luck. All else I'll do is now is wait and see if I win. I hope they let me know soon. There's also the second visual novel I played on stream, by the way. I thought about playing more visual novels on stream. Well, not even just on stream. I thought about just like, you know, doing visual novel content in general. Like, because this would be like a decent YouTube content thing, right? Where I just read through visual novel games and then like upload them. Even like ASMR visual novels. That's an idea that I had. Did I do it? Nope. Was that an idea that I had like 5, 6, 7 months ago that ever came to fruition? Nope. Never did. A message at this time of night. Hey there, buddy, you won. Unknown number. Dear Buttfuck, congratulations! You've been selected as one of the 4 winners of the Study Abroad Japanese competition. We'll be hope that I don't want to read any of this. I'm just gonna start skipping. Where's the Japanese at? I do not care about this study. Alright, study story. I care about the studying, not the story.
So, this is the city I'll
There's
be living
voice
in for the
acting?
next 3 months.
There is no voice acting up until now. Where did they just not want to pay the voice actor? Is that even a human voice actor? Actually, yeah, that has to be human. This is before AI was invented. Why is there no voice acting up until now?
It's fairly lively around here. Japan certainly is a busy country. Okay.
At least I don't have to
time
read.
head out and find where I'll be taking my classes.
I'm and that's you, by the way. Yes, that is me. That's so me right there. Oh, I don't even have to read my own dialogue. I can just let Buttfuck read it for me. Thank you, Buttfuck.
The information brochure said the school should be right across the road from the hotel.
Now this is much more my style. Me not having to read words, oh hell yeah, we love not
Is that it
reading.
over there? There's a few people gathered around outside.
Okay.
Yeah, so I said to him, I said, "You're lucky you win this round. I'll be back to win next time."
Oh my gosh, you won the duel, you won the duel, my Yu-Gi-Oh duel. I'll be back next time and win.
That's it. That's the full story on how I lost a video game tournament to a 6-year-old. Pretty embarrassing, huh?
Gloomy boy. Energetic, gloomy boy.
I can't
And
believe
cheerful,
they even went
cheerful,
to a
cheer.
tournament meant for kids.
That girl. That word girl. Sorry, I can't read English.
What can I say? I've got youthful features.
Oh, hello there. Are you the other competition winner?
Yes.
You look lost. You must be the one we're waiting for.
What? Why is that the voice of the gloomy boy? Huh? You look lost. You must be the one we're waiting for. Would you like some tea and biscuits? Why is he British? Why do you have like... he sounds like he'd be someone's butler. Why is he named Gloomy Boy?
I won the competition to study abroad here. Am I at the right place?
Yepers, you sure are. Thanks for joining us. My
I would
name's
like some
Frederick.
tea and
I'll be your
biscuits.
host today.
Oh, Frederick, you tried pulling that trick on
Well,
me
I'll
when
ask the
I
Gloomy Boy. He
arrived.
seems to be
Didn't work,
giving
remember?
him out.
You believed me a little bit. I introduced myself as your teacher, Frederick Sensei.
Yeah, but we all received an email stating
I
that
do
our
not care
teacher
about
was
this
the one
story.
called Hana-sensei.
I see I've been outwitted once again.
Hey, newbie. Never mind Frederick's sense of humor. I'm Priya, by the way. And
I'm
this
so
is
close to
Elliot.
spamming past all of this and clicking past all the dialogue.
Hey,
We're not together or anything. I just introduced him. Nothing going
They're
on
fucking.
between us.
They're absolutely fucking. They're having hardcore sex every night. And I don't mean like, you know, just the vanilla shit. I mean full-blown sadism and masochism type thing. They are absolutely fucking.
yeah, thanks.
And I'm Frederick, but you probably already remember that from 60 seconds ago.
I will never remember your name ever.
I do remember that.
You're lying.
It's nice to meet you.
I'm
What's
lying.
your name?
It's good to meet you all.
I'm bumfuck.
Will this be our entire class?
No, you're supposed to pronounce the name bumfuck. You're supposed to say your name. You can't just skip it. You can't just gloss over that. Ah.
Yeah, there were 4 winners of the competition.
Wow.
Pretty small class. Should be to our advantage.
Exactly. I'm so excited to get started. All my fave fashion vlogs are in Japanese. I have to learn it.
Okay.
Me too. I gotta learn it so I can watch all the anime.
Oh, he's just like me for real, for real. Only reason we're learning Japanese is so I can watch anime without the subtitles. Yeah, that's not true. I can also watch Japanese VTubers. That's the other reason. We got 2 reasons to learn Japanese. Two reasons to learn the anime language. One, to watch anime. The other, to watch VTubers. There's no other reason to learn this language. Go to Japan and talk to the natives? Nah. It's all about the anime
Just
and
entered the
VTubers.
competition on a whim. Seemed like a good chance to get
Okay.
away from home.
Thank you, British man.
I'm excited to get started too. I traveled here all the way from my country. Where do you guys come from?
Sweden. You ever been there? It's great. You need to come visit.
No.
Well, when we're back home.
And you are definitely not Sweden. The only thing about your appearance and voice that indicates Swedish is your hair color. You are not Swedish in the ever slightest. You have the most generic white voice ever. You have the generic anime dub, English dub protagonist of a shonen anime. And that's your voice. You are not a Swedish person. We're
Because
lying.
I'm here now, and so are you. So there's no need to visit me in Sweden, right?
My goodness. This guy.
Okay.
I come over from India.
You are also
I
not
have to
Indian.
say, I'm having a bit of a challenge adjusting to things here.
Hey, Elliot. Where are you from? You never told me in Free.
Pre?
England.
England. Ah, right. He has an accurate voice. The fucking British, the British in it. This guy has a good. He has an accurate voice for where he's supposed to be from. The other characters sound nothing like the country that they're supposed to be from. The girl from India sounds nothing like the native tongue. She doesn't have an accent at all. The guy from Sweden doesn't sound like it at all. The girl from Balls, us, doesn't sound like her from the Balls country. She's speaking Balls-anese. But hey, the English dude sounds English.
Right on. Tea and crumpets all day, every day.
Tea and crumpets, tea and biscuits. Frederick is actually just so me. He's literally even making the same jokes that I'm making. And he even makes a bit out of the accent as well.
And the flag sticker on your luggage. And I saw your passport too.
Sheesh. This is going to be a very...
I'm skipping past this. I don't care anymore.
Oh. Yeah, I'll be not
home. Yep.
We've got shall
I've stopped caring. We're getting to the actual game. I stopped caring about the story. Where's the game at? Give me the game. Give me the game. Give me the game. Give me the game. I don't care about this. I don't have the attention span for this. This story is not interesting in the slightest. This isn't the game. If this is the entire game, I'm going to alt F4 and I'm going to end the stream. It's not the entire game, but hey. Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Everyone, get back!
It's trying to attack us. Oh no. Ah. It's evil kanji. It's evil floating kanji. I feel like I've seen that kanji before. Is it the kanji for Japan?
Does anyone have any ultimate skills?
Frederick! Not the time to joke around! Get back! Hana-sensei, you said the thing looks like a Japanese kanji. Can you read it?
Yeah, of course. It's the kanji for
Tree?
Oh, it's the kanji for tree. Never
What
mind.
does that do us?
I thought it was Japan.
Not get it. Did you never hear the story of the Katakana War?
the Katakana War. I do remember
Okay.
that.
I like
That was
Elliot.
around 5 years ago.
Elliot's voice actor is actually kind of going in
Cool
with his
war story and
dialogue.
all, but we don't need a history lesson right now.
Frederick sounds like a generic shonen protagonist.
Hana-sensei, during the Katakana War, there were strange monsters like this that looked like Japanese.
Elliot's going hard with the voice acting. I'm skipping past this. I don't care anymore. Ah!
Yes.
What do you...
It's
Can you get me into the actual game? I'm literally just skipping past it. Is it... Were they actually teaching me things there? I don't have no idea. They might have been teaching things. Welcome to your first Japanese kanji lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn 5 kanji characters pictured above. You said the middle one. Where's my mouse? Is my mouse showing up on stream, by the way? It is, okay. This, or it was the... No, it was this. This is tree. This is the kanji for tree. Isn't this the kanji for person? I think this is person, right? These 3, I have no clue. This one might be Japan, but I also might probably be incorrect about that. By probably, I mean almost definitely. Come look at it, don't worry, we'll go through them one by one. Here's our first kanji of the day. This is... I don't know how to read that. English definition water. Could you tell me what the hiragana is, so I can actually read it? Practice writing on paper. Try and match the order of pen strokes as shown in the animation. I've already forgotten what they were. It's made up of 4 strokes. Repeat the animation. Okay, it goes like that. I'm gonna forget that. In fact, I should probably... Misu. Oh yeah, Mizu. No, not Su. It's Zu. It's Zu. Not Su. You're actually right. I do know the hiragana for water, because Duolingo taught me it and I forgot. You know what I also will do, real quick? I don't know. I mean, you're close, but it's Mizu. It's Mizu. I know it's Mizu. You know what I also will do? I'm gonna open up Krita real quick. Just so we can like actually practice this as well. Because I have not been practicing the writing, right? Because in Japanese, guess what? The strokes matter. Holy shit, I'm gonna have a stroke. And not because I'm fucking Japanese. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change from games capture to display capture. We're gonna transition. So now what we can do is we can just switch back and forth to the game and go over to do this real quick. What is it? Okay. So it was like I need black size. That's actually 40 is fine. I'm not gonna lie, I already forgot what it was. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot what it was in the past like 5 seconds. Okay, like a downstroke and then like a 7 and then like a doodad and then like a bigger doodad. Okay? So like and then like a and then something like this, right? That's how the kanji was. It looks like shit, but hey. The kanji for Mizu. Mizu, water. Also, isn't it supposed to like show me the hiragana for this? Tell you here's the tip. Water. The shape of Mizu represents water splashing out of a tap. Like all kanji, Mizu has multiple pronunciations. The different types of pronunciation are called kunyomi, Japanese reading, and onyomi, sound reading. Onyomi and kunyomi. Kunyomi, or Japanese reading, is the way to pronounce kanji when they stand on their own. Okay. So kanji do... Okay. So I was right earlier. Because I was talking about specifically nani, the kanji for nani. When you add, I think it was the hiragana no afterwards, it changes from nani to I think it was ha, so it was like hano, and that like translates, and that means like that in Japanese. I think I might be misremembering of what it was, but it was something along those lines, right? Okay, so I was right. So kanji by itself is kunyomi, kunyomi, and kanji was something else. Hey, there we go, mizu. See, you were close, right? It just has the daikomi on it, so it's, you know, it changes from su to z. Mizu. The other type of pronunciation is onyomi, or sound reading. These pronunciations are adapted from Chinese and are used when kanji appears in a word alongside other kanji, a compound. The onyomi for mizu is sui. Huh. Okay. So when you see a kanji mizu combined in a word with other kanji, you read it as sui. Sui. Sui! Oh my gosh. Sui! Oh my gosh. Even I'm a fan of football. Or as the Americans call it, people, soccer. I think I know to help out my doggy because I think I just heard her downstairs walking around at this time, and I need to help her up onto her bed. Let's see what some examples are to clarify the difference between kunyomi and onyomi pronunciations. Kanji mizu appears in 2 different ways below. We have mizu, water, or sui, yo, bo, okay? Sui yo bo. Sui yobo. Sui yobo. Sui yobo. Sui yobo is Wednesday. Is it sui or sui? No, it's sui. Sui yo bo. Wednesday. Example 1. Mizu, water. The kanji appears on its own and is read. Sui yubi. Yubi. Sui yobi. Yobi. Yes. I can pronounce things sometimes. The kanji appears on its own as read as mizu. In English, this translates to water. Example 2, Witness Day. The kanji appears with a compound with 2 other kanji, which we haven't been taught this kanji yet. I'm also going to forget this kanji. The reading is pronounced as sui. So, okay. So when I learn kanji, I not only have to learn, you know, the kanji on its own, but I have to learn the other thing as well, right? So I'm going to learn 2 pronunciations for each kanji. And of course, I'm not going to learn all the kanji, but there's like somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 kanji that gets used in Japan, in Japanese, right? Which is, by God, multiply that by 2, and that's 4,000 to 6,000 different pronunciations that I have to remember. Oh, that's great. We're so fucked. Oh, we are so fucked, Chief. We are fucked right now, Chief. Also, hello, Yahiti. How are you? Welcome back. What you thinking about? What you thinking about, girly or boy or they, them, e? Alright. The different readings and pronunciations for kanji are confusing at first. Yes, that's literally what I was just complaining about. As you learn more kanji, the concept of kunyomi and onyomi will become easier to understand. I understand the concept of it, but it's going to be a pain in the ass to remember it. If you have trouble memorizing the different readings, here's a tip. Focus on learning the English readings for each new kanji. And if possible, just memorize the kunyomi. Okay. Okay. When you become more familiar with kanji, you can return and learn the onyomi. Down reading later. Let's summarize the information of our first kanji. It's mizu. Mizu. Kunyomi, onyomi. Mizu, sui, learn with short folks. What did I just say? Did I just say written with straw forks? I can't read English. Bro, I cannot. This is why we're learning Japanese. I can't read English, so we have to we gotta jump the boat. We gotta learn Japanese instead because I can't read fucking English. Owie, thank you for beating me up. I appreciate it. Mizu. Mizu. Sui. Sui. Mizu. Sui. Sui. It's not sui. It's not sui. But sui. 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 Told you we need to learn English and said, you're so right. We gotta take an English class. No, my worst subject. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna this. This is Mizu water. Okay. Or Sui, which gets used in Wednesday. Phew, that was a lot of information. Now that you understand the basics, we can get through the next few kanji with ease. Here comes the next kanji. I'm pretty sure that's hito. Or it's just he. Okay, it's he. So wait, I've seen this symbol before. Hold on, I'm switching screens. This is I want this to be a bit bigger. Then we'll go to you. This kanji right here. I chose the wrong bit. This kanji right here. If I can like write it well. Like this. This is hito. I'm 90% sure. This is he, which is he, and then to is hold on, how do I write to again? Oh shit. This is what I get for never practicing how to write things down. How do I write to? Listen, I will recognize to if I see it. I will recognize to if I see it. But I can't picture it in my head for some reason. I can picture he in my head, I can't picture toe in my head. Why can't I picture toe? Hold on, I need to write it down. Or I need my keyboard. I need to actually see. Why is that not switching? Alright, well, ignore that then. I need the kanji for toe. Where's the kanji for toe at? Where's kanji for toe? Hey, look at a kanji real quick. I mean kanji, hiragana. Okay, that's kanji for toe. For some reason, I cannot remember things. So it's like this. I don't know if that was the right stroke order, but it's hito, right? Hito, right? But then if you have this, that's a eraser, not a pen. If you have this, and it's like this or something, it's just here. Okay. What's the actual stroke order? It has 4 strokes. Fire. Okay. This is fire. I don't know what fire is. Oh, fire is he. Okay. Ka. What's the writing for it? You do the other ones first? You do the side shit first? And then you do... Okay. So it goes like this. And that's he. And it's ka for the he and ka. Alright. So that's fire. This is tree. We saw this. 3. He. Wait, what? It has 2 pronunciations? Oh, that's not cool. You probably know this is a kanji. Yes, I just noticed that. That's literally what I was talking about. Thank you for acknowledging that that's what I was talking about. There are 2 kunyumi and 2 ongumi pronunciations. Ki and ko. And then we have boku. Boku and moku. Boku. Boku and moku. Pronunciations are used in different sentences, and a sentence will differ depending on the context or meaning. You guys are learning all the different meanings. Tree, wood, shape of a tree. The shape of it does kind of resemble a tree, sure, why not? Tree, wood. Kunyami in Japanese alone reading. Yes. Kiko, yeah, I know. Boku, yeah, boku. Boku, moku. Moku, boku, moku. I'm not gonna practice all the writing stuff. Should I practice all the writing stuff? I probably should. I just can't be bothered. I should probably do it, shouldn't I? Okay. I should probably practice it. Because I haven't been doing that. I know. I'm not gonna lie, I already forgot what it was. Was it this? That? Okay, so a cross, then like 2 legs coming off of it. Okay, a cross and 2 legs coming off of it. That was not it at all. What the hell did I draw? I drew a stick figure. I drew a fucking stick figure. That's what it is. Fire, hot fire. Key. Or a ko. Or boku or moku. Here comes next kanji. Ishi. Or seiki. Seiki? She. To. Sha. Shaku. So, seki. Shaku. Koku. 5 strokes. I'm not gonna practice them. I've gotten bored of practicing writing them down. Stone. The shape of stone. Resembles a stone resting below a cliff. I think that's a bit of a stretch, but sure. Ishi, yeah. Seki. Shaku. Koku. Yeah, alright. I'm not gonna remember these, but Ishi. Here comes the next kanji. I think this is Japan, right? It's not, I lied. Kane. Money. Kane. Or kana. 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 Oh my gosh, like we're studying kana. Or kin or kon. 8 strokes, goddamn. Kind of resembles gold nuggets resting at a base of a mountain. How are these analogies being made? How are you making these? How do you see that? Yeah, I do not see any of that from this symbol. I do not see it. Kane, kana. Kin, kon. Kane. I can see it. Thank you for saying it when I can't see it. I appreciate you disagreeing with me and saying it yourself. Congratulations, you've completed your first kanji lesson. Alright, let's see how much we can actually remember. You now know 5 different kanji along with their English meanings and the pronunciations. Well done. It's more story time. What is the English meaning of this? That is fire, right? That one was fire, right? Yes, well done. What's the kunyomi of that? That was Mizu, right? I will always disagree with you. Yeah, I appreciate you disagreeing with me. Thank you, I appreciate you disagreeing with me, right? Also, thank you for that best. I would take all that. I'm gonna cough real quick. And by cough, I mean clear my throat. My throat was dying a little bit. Pretty sure this was Mizu. Yes. Hey, what are the onyomi readings of that? Oh, was it kon? Was it? I think it was kin and kon. Hey, what's the English meaning of that? Stone. Kunyomi. The Japanese reading. That. Which if one that English translation tree. It was. It wasn't heat though. No. I think it was Kane and Kana, right? Fuck. It was not Kane and Kana. It was Ki and Ko. What are the onyomi sound readings of that, which was He, which is He, which goes to Ka. Congratulations of completing the quiz. You are on your way to mastering kanji. Oh my gosh, I'm an expert on kanji now. Holy shit, I'm a genius. I'm skipping past all the story elements. I do not give a shit. Oh no, we're in trouble. Kanji masters are weak to their own names. This is Mizu. To defeat, select the attack water / Mizu. The aim of each battle is to defeat all the enemies on screen to damage kanji monsters. You need to hit them with their matching letters or characters. Oh, yippee. I'm so smart. Literally, I'm an expert on kanji now. Let me tell you what, I did one lesson. I'm a genius. I know it all. Buttfuck. I just saw buttfuck, I had to acknowledge it. When the command menu appears, use the arrow keys and select the enter to select answers. Or click the command with your mouse. Okay. Smash the enemy by getting the answer. Water / Mizu. 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 Yes. Mizu. Hey. There you go. Oh, phew. Well fought. Fuckfoot. Well fought. Here, take these rings. I don't care. Okay. I'm not reading all that. Sorry, I don't like reading words. That fucking name. That fucking name. Oh my gosh, you want me to save? I will save, sure. Holy shit, we zoom through these lands. We are so speedy. We are speedy Mongolis. Let me tell you what, that's another Mizu. Hey, or Sui. Ah. Sui. Sui. Another Mizu. Oh, and another one as well. Water. Oh, this. Mizu. What? I got it wrong instantly. Hold on. Ishii. Ishii is this one. This is the top one. Ishii. This is 3, which is... It's not he, I know that. It's not Kabe, right? No. Actually, it might be Kabe. It's not Mizu. No, it's the Kiko. That's what it is. Kiko. Moku. Boku. Boku no Pico. Boku no Pico, my favorite anime. Hey. Kiko. Or, alternatively, Boku Moku. Boku Lamau. My favorite anime of all time, Boku no Pico. Watched it so many times, over and over. Highly recommend. I mean, what the fuck? It's I haven't watched. I don't watch hentai. I only read hentai. Hey, well, I didn't say anything. That's Heath. Fire. Yeah. Hello, Mimi. How are you? Hello, Mimi. I see you lurking. I see you hiding. This is Kane. Also, one thing I think is kind of cheating is the English definitions above it, but hey. Kane. What? I was wrong. The English definitions above it don't even help me. It's Ishi. Or Shaku. I don't want to go to school. I'm sorry, Mim. You gotta go to school. You gotta wakey. It's time for school. You gotta go learn. You gotta get your study up. You gotta learn all the knowledge. See, even I'm going to school right now. I'm studying. I'm learning Japanese. You gotta study as well. You gotta be a pro student. Nice thing and make all that money. Then you can become an idol and make even more money. Kiko. Yeah, but it's 2 AM there, and that's a game. Yeah, but it's also studying. What do you mean? I'm using a game because I don't know what else to do because I'm bad at studying, Mimi. I don't think you realize I literally wasted. I was supposed to be studying this entire stream, and I wasted an hour doing nothing because I didn't know what to do. So I just like sat around complaining about not knowing to do for like an hour. Hey, oh my gosh, you and Rai match Mimi. Oh, y'all both have Mimi. You're broke. You have no money. Why are you gifting subs? Why are you buying subs? You should not be matching with Rai. You're broke. Only if you doesn't see, I see it. Don't be spending money on people streaming Hollow Knight Silksong. You're too broke for that. Hey yo Yudi, hey yo Mimi, stop spending money that you don't have. Good day? Yes. It is a good, it has been somewhat a good day. Good day to you, Mimi? Good morning? Konnichiwa? Konnichiwa, Mimi. Konnichiwa, Mimi-san. Yippee. I This is Mizu.
Sweet.
Sweet. Cutie, look, I'm looking. What is that? Ah, the Valkyrie. Loki's dancing over there. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello there. Oh, hide me. Mimi, he can't hide you. I will see you, Mimi, no matter where you go. You cannot hide from me. I don't know why I sound like that. It sounds very stalkery. I'm not stalking Mimi. She's stalking me. Okay. Mimi stalks me. I don't stalk her. I promise. She stalks me. Right? She always knows what I'm doing. Cute emo. That is a cute emo. Both the hello there and the Velky dance one. Oh my gosh, big kanji. Oh my gosh, is this a boss fight? Holy shit, is this a boss fight? Is this a boss fight? This is Kiko, or alternatively, Boku and Moku. Boku, Moku. Meow. Why oh? Oh da oh, you mean? Why yeah. 3. Boku. What? Did it change? I wasn't paying attention. Did it change? It changed. It changed. It changed. That is not Boku anymore. That's Ishi, or alternatively Seiki, or Shoku. Shaku. Koku. I got 4 hype emotes. Right now, clueless. Mimi, stop spending money. You don't have money. Be responsible. I know you don't like to be responsible and to take care of yourself, but you gotta take care of yourself. You gotta be responsible. Cutie, Mimi. Take care of yourself, Mimi. Stop wasting money that you don't have. Because I know you don't. You need to take care of yourself, Mimi. You need to. Because no one else can take care of you if you don't take care of yourself. I finally got done what I want. I almost solved. I'm happy that you got that, Mimi. But still, stop wasting money when you don't have money to waste. This is kare. Or alternatively, no, it's kanne. Or kanna. Or, kin or kon. Mimi, please stop using twitch.tv. You have a problem. You actually have a problem. Like, I'm not, like, before I was joking, but I think you actually have a problem now. Like, with spending money. Like, and this is coming from me. I've spent a lot of money on subs, Mimi. You know that I've spent a lot of money on subs. Right? For streamers. Specifically, Line Chew, right? You know that I've, like, bought a lot of gifted subs around. And I think that you're spending too much money on subs. Like, you actually have a problem right now, Mimi. Like, I think you need to not be on Twitch. Like, honestly. I feel like you really should not be on this platform if you're going to keep spending money like that. Dude, I haven't gifted anyone? That doesn't make things better. That really does not make things better, Mimi. I got gifted yesterday too. That's good, that's lucky, but you still have a problem. Okay, I know your money situation. I know it. I know you keep trying to deflect and trying to make excuses. But I do know your money situation, Mimi. I know that you don't have a ton of money. Okay? And yet, you're spending it on twitch.tv. You are giving your money to Twitch. It's only 2? It should be 0. Mimi, that's $12 a month. In September, you're making excuses. Again, that's just what I said 5 seconds ago. You just make excuses to defend your unhealthy habits, because what you're doing is bad. No, I am not. Yes, you are. You just made an excuse 3 seconds ago. It was September. I know. It's not unhealthy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Mimi. I know it's unhealthy. It's up to Murden. Don't enable Mimi. Right, do not enable Mimi. Do not enable her addiction to buying and gifting subs to people. I told you I would buy 2. You did not tell me. You did not tell me at all that. Now dumb. Only this month. I am not even addicted. Mimi, you tell me like every other month that you bought a new sub. Okay, and it should be 0 subs. Because again, you do not have disposable income. By the way, I am nauseous. Sit down, Mimi. Take care of yourself. Please. Please. Take care of yourself. Please. Do not die. Stay alive. Please. Have I subbed to you though? No. And that's a good thing. You shouldn't be doing that. And the only reason you haven't done that is because I keep telling you not to every time you bring it up. Because you keep bringing it up like every other stream of mine. I have, and I appreciate the sub, right? I do. And I hope that you're also not, you know, in a situation where you cannot afford to be spending a sub on me, right? Because I know Minnie is. Right? I know Minnie is, and she keeps doing it anyways. I will get myself... Mimi! That's not a good response. That's really not. That is a terrible, terrible, terrible response to say. I am going to be safe. Again, not a good response. I will not die. Again, not a good response. And I need to rush for school. Hurry for school. But also, you're making excuses and you need to acknowledge that. Because you keep making excuses for the excuses that you say and you don't want to acknowledge that. But at the end of the day, that's your problem and not mine. If you want to continue to be unhealthy and let your problems get out of control, that is entirely up to you. I cannot stop you. I cannot stop you. But also, please do not ever buy a sub for me, Mimi. Do not ever buy a sub for me, because I do not want to feel guilty for that. Because that will make me feel immediately guilty. I'm not effing unhealthy. I'm not going to buy anymore. Please do not. He's just this month, Hurden. Don't hit me with the baguette. And no, I don't want this up to you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot that you don't want that. What was this again? Because I got distracted. It was, yeah, this was Kinko. And Boku and Moku. No, it wasn't. Was it fire? Ki and Ka? It was. Sorry, I'm dumb. I will spin your hair like you spin emote. Then it'll be stuck. No, with me, don't spin me. You don't even use redeems me. I've never seen you I'm spinning. Right, spun me instead. Thank you for spinning me right. Because Minnie doesn't know how to use redeems. She will never spin me. And thank you for spinning me right on Minnie's behalf. Hey, my hair didn't get stuck. I'm skipping this dialogue. I do not care about this. No, I don't like redeems. Yes, I know that. I know that. I'm well aware that you do not like redeems. I know that you do not care about them. Because you have never used them. Not only in my chat, but in also all the other in the other chats that I've seen you in. Only VIP, that is fair. Oh, I was skipping past dialogue. Oopsies. Which, by the way, I have enough channel points to get like VIP emotes or VIP badges by some streamers, and I want to get them, but I'm scared. I'm just too socially anxious to like, you know, stop lurking for a second and have them acknowledge my existence, but I don't want to do it because I'm scared. I want the VIP badge because I'd be like, oh, looky here, I'm cool because I watched you so much. But then I don't want to do it because I'm also scared that the streamer might acknowledge me. And there's like 2 streamers that I have enough points, channel points for to get the VIP badge. But I don't want to do it because I'm scared and I shiz. Only VIP. Okay. And daily stuff. You can have mine. Ah. What, you gonna give me your badge from your favorite streamer? You're gonna take your badge that you paid channel points for? You paid channel points for all the VIP badges, Mimi. Ah. OMG, OMG, OMG. What's the OMG, Mimi? Ah. Right, Mimi's calling for you. Day, son. Oh, I got them from people? You just said that you spent channel points on them. The only ones that you like is the VIP ones. Like 5 seconds ago. You said you don't like redeems, only VIP. Okay, and daily stuff. That's what you said. You like the VIP redeems. Implying that you redeemed them before. And in fact, I know you redeemed them before. I remember this. I know you redeemed it before because I remember you making a deal out of it because you redeemed it by a streamer whose name I'm forgetting his name of. There was a stream. I remember this because I remember seeing you do it and getting the VIP badge there. I remember seeing it. I just don't remember what his name was. Not by everyone. Who was it again? I don't know. I could not tell you. You know, Mimi, oh. I'm blanking on him. I get back to you in car. Okay, we'll go back to me in car. I might remember by then. I might remember the streamer name by then, because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. I never even followed him. He hangs out with Small, if you're still here, Mimi, because I doubt you're still here, but you gotta rush. Yeah, go rush, Mimi. But he hangs out with Small a lot. I'm thinking about the other dude. Thinking about the dude. I can't remember. The clown dude. The clown looking guy. I did, OMG. Yeah, you did. Did you also do it by Smo? I have no idea if you did. Take care, Mimi. Go take care, Mimi. We'll get ready. Small too. Ah. That dude too. Ah. Scrub as well. Bring all of them. Day, son. Key. Also, Mimi, don't you gotta go. Also ads. Alright. And this time, we're gonna play 3 minutes of ads. That way there's no people scrolling side by. At the same time, I will take a break. That way you don't miss any ads. I guess we'll keep playing this for a little bit longer. Learn a couple more kanji. Which I don't know how useful this is actually to learn all this, because I'm still not learning, you know, actual sentences of words. I'm just learning like a couple of the kanji meaning. Anyways, we'll keep doing this for a little bit. So I want to know. I see every ad. I have to go to the right screen. That's right. Ah, hello, it is I'm the Bax, and the ads are over. Did I scare you? I had to take an extra minute because I had to go help my doggy. I had to go help her back up her bed. Her beddy bed, because she got off. She got off, and I have to help her up, because she's old. But anyways. Day, son, he, and Bo. Bo? No, B. He and B, the heebie-jeebies. We're getting the heebie-jeebies from this one. Onyomi. He and B. The Onyomi. Nietzsche. And she, Zitsu. Or no, it's Jitsu. Right? Because she goes to G, if I remember right. If I could click into the game, that'd be nice. Hey, son. There's an open window. Okay. That actually kind of looks like it. Hibi. Jitsu, yep. Right. Hang on, the next kanji. That looks a lot similar. Suki! That means love! Oh wait, what? Is it Suki? That means love or Suki? Su. I thought it meant love. That's not love at all, that's month and moon. Oh, maybe Suki means love. Suki, not Suki. Suki. Tsuki, Kunyomi, Anyomi, Getsu, and Katsu. Okay. How the hell are you? Okay, sure. That looks nothing like a curve of the moon. That looks absolutely nothing like the curve of the moon. But sure, why not? Getsu. Tsuki? Yeah. Here comes the next kanji. What is this? Toshi. Toshi. Nation. Nen. Toshi and Nen. Okay. It represents a well. How the hell do you see a well in that? Well, fuck you. That is not a goddamn well. Toshi. And then. Toshi. That sounds like saying Ren. I know it's not Ren, it's Nen. Sounds like saying Nen. Alright. Next one. Here comes the next kanji. Haya. Haya. So or sa. Really fast. Shapes the sun rising in the morning. Sure, why not? Haya. So, sa. Here comes the next kanji. Wait, that looks like... That looks like katakana. That looks like the katakana for ku. It looks like an extra line on it. This looks just like the katakana for ku. Or like this extra stroke right here. Okay. You. And then Tsunki. Okay. And that one looks more like a moon, but still. Not much like it. Ew. Seki. Congratulations, you can believe this lesson. I'm already forgotten all of them. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot all 5 of those. I'm not gonna lie. Squeeze this milk. No, don't squeeze me. I mean, you can milk me, you just gotta ask. I mean, what? I didn't say anything, I'm normal. Ooh, I'm normal. Okay, touch your butt. You're supposed to squeeze my butt. I mean, what? And something you're supposed to eat, not touch. Oh, touches the butt. Oh my gosh. Can you go touch the butt? Me when I'm Nemo and I'm looking at a ship. I'm like, oh, go touch the butt. I've completely forgotten what this one is. I think it was like a well or something. Fuck. Year? Hey, okay. Yomi. What's the onyomi sound reading of this? I don't remember. I think it's gonna kind of get to the point where I'm being tired. And my brain is not remembering stuff at all. My brain is not storing data at all. I don't remember crap. I don't remember what any of these are. Ah, my hair is ruined. No, Mimi. Ah, you had such pretty hair though. Ah, it was just like yesterday you had such a pretty hair day. Or maybe it was the day before or the day before that. I'm sorry, all the days are kind of bleeding together. But you just had such a pretty hair day and now it's ruined. Ah. Nietzsche. Or Seki. It was Seki. Yeah, Seki. Ah. Not like this. No, no, yesterday was ruined too. Ah. Ah. Why does it keep being ruined, Mimi? No. Ah, I'm sure it looked fine. I'm sure it looked pretty nonetheless. Correct, well done. What was a kunyomi Japanese reading of this? Or now it's curly, but no, some piece have to be straight. Yeah, but curly is nice. Ah, but curly is pretty though. Who doesn't like curly hair? I like curly hair. Curly hair is great. Straight hair is also nice, but curly hair is also nice. You know what? Hair is also nice. Just hair in general. People having hair, you know what? Hair is good. Hair, very nice. Not having hair too is also nice. Being bald, hey, that's pretty good. Maybe you should go bald. You should shave all your hair off. It'd be funny. Anyways, what was this? I do not remember. You. Or. Gets. Was it this? Nah. Wasn't this. Here be. Oh, thank you for taking my clothes off and putting new ones on me. I'm now a maid here to clean up all the messes. But yesterday I was squished in by car. No. No, you, no. You, I'm already bald. Ah, I already have no hair. I'm not bald, I have long hair. I'm sorry, Mimi. Wait, oh, why is there so many people in your car? Why you got so many... Why is there so many people in the car with you? Huh? Are you being squished in by all your brothers? All your, like, 30 brothers? Correct, well done. What's the English meaning of this? Month, moon? Hey! Me, my mother, and my brother. Ah, so I was right. It was your brothers. Okay. I was right. Just also your mother as well. Early, was it this? Damn. Hey. So the kunyomi, Japanese reading of that. Doshi? I'm gonna be honest, I'm just guessing at this point. I don't remember. I think I'm getting to the point where my tiredness is like, You're not gonna remember. Anyways. What's the anyways, Mimi? Tell me a story, Mimi. I'm sorry that I'm cringe, Mimi. Right, do you know where I got it gifted? Are you trying to say Rye, or do you actually mean right? Because I do not know where you got it gifted. Maybe Rye does. You try saying, yep, ha. You're on phone now, Mimi, I'm sorry. You said Rye and it got auto-corrected to right. This is what happens when you use the English keyboard. You gotta go back to the, to your Spanish keyboard. Because that's the country you're from. You're from Spanish. Not from Spain, but you're from Spanish. Congratulations on completing the quiz. You're well done. Okay, yeah, sure. I'm not clicked into the game. I just realized. I'm skipping past this. I do not care. Rye! Rye's Mimi's calling for you. Why is it blacked off? In this battle, the enemies you fight are made up of English words. English people using the same principles of normal combat. Our list of answers is changed to kanji characters that have meanings. Imagine kanji from your answer list in order to defeat the enemy. Okay. Gold money. I remember that is this. Kana. I think our fucking interest sub expired. Loki would be a good guess. Unless you just spent money on Loki. Actually, no, didn't Velky like give you like a year-long sub or something like that? Or some streamer gave you a year-long sub or something like that? I used to do that. I used to give you your long sub. In fact, that's why you have it marked on your account that you were previously subscribed for 12 months. You're my longest subscriber, Mimi. You are my first subscriber, Mimi. And the longest subscriber, too. Subscribed for 12 whole months. And then I just stopped streaming. And then I became broke as well. So I stopped paying for subs. I got a gifted sub from Line Chew. What was evening? I don't remember what evening was. I'm not gonna lie. Was it this? It's no. Suki, no. I've never been so to you. Sure, maybe. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna argue with you because you're just gonna deny whatever I say, even though I am correct in this. Oh, I'll let you live out whatever fantasy you want to believe. You. Okay, with that. You. Oh. Ah. Created from line someone until the 21st. Well, you did get gifted by line, it's just, you know, not recently. Right, Mizu's so sweet. Mizu is water. We know that. Mizu is water. Mizu is sweet. Water is sweet. Oh. Oh. Huh? Huh? What? What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the hot for? Haven't you been paying attention to Mimi? Haven't you been studying Japanese with us? See, water is on the screen. Water is in the top left of the screen. So that means we have to do what? We have to hit it with Mizu. Mizu. Water, see? Oh yeah, that too. And so, I don't remember what this one is. I think it was this. So, okay. Never mind. Toshi, that's also wrong. I'm just guessing at this point. I have no idea what it was. I got it. Hey. I was about to sob, dear. I mean, why are you about to sob for getting gifted sub? I mean, you have a really unhealthy relationship with Twitch. I'm not gonna lie. For rolling the right dice roll of getting a gifted sub on Twitch. That's I do not, and you're also in denial. I mean, these are people on the internet that you'll probably never meet in your entire life unless you go to TwitchCon at the same time and learn them, and meet them there if you go to TwitchCon. But these are people that you're never going to meet in your entire life, and you're getting highly emotional over internet people. That's incredibly parasocial and very unhealthy, right? These are people that you probably don't talk to on a daily basis. Maybe they are friends of you. I don't know. Maybe it's not unhealthy. They might be your friend. Who knows? But at the same time, you'll never tell me the truth because you always just, you know, lie about that. So I don't know. I'm just making a guess. Maybe it is healthy. Maybe they actually are your friend, right? Or maybe they're just like a random internet person who you'll never talk to. I don't know. Heard a rainbow here. Oh my gosh, Mimi, it's a rainbow. You know what that means? Hey, you're a leprechaun now, Mimi. You're now a leprechaun. You want photo? Yes, take photo. Show me photo of rainbow. Which I know for a fact that you're also deflecting because you don't like what I'm talking about. Because you don't like it when I call you unhealthy. But yes, send me a photo. Anyways, back to my Japanese. Back to my Japanese game. Ah. Send it. I saw Mimi. I saw that you sent it. I will check after stream. I know Mizu. I know that one for a fact. It's silly. The other ones, however, I have no clue. I did not retain any of that knowledge whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie. That's wrong. Then also wrong. Also incredibly wrong. We have magic? We don't have magic either. So hey, I got it. By process of elimination, baby. Toshi, also wrong. I'm just guessing. Hey, you. I also don't know if this game is very productive. Rainbow gone. Oh, I'm sorry, Mimi. We'll see another rainbow at some point in time. It's raining. Oh my gosh. And when the rain goes away, you know what's gonna happen? You'll have another rainbow. Another rainbow to see you. Ah. Evening. Sa. Ah. Then ah. I'm gonna get one of these. Oh, all my dudes are dead. Oh, they're all dead. Oh, we lost. Oh. If you're not damaging enemies, try making some handy kanji notes to refer to in battle. Oh, it's so sad. Sad music time. Oh, I'm crying now. Ah. Oh no. 07 Ripperoni Pastaroni. Deafin pasta. If the enemies are causing too much damage to you, try buying better equipment from the fortune town. Weapons and armor both reduce the damage you take. So sad. Anyways, now I gotta go. Okay, bye Mimi. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you coming by. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this game is it either. What's this resource though? Studyjapanese.net. Is that like a good resource? Let's see what this website is, and hope that's not a virus. Even though it's on a video game that, if it was a virus, this video game would also probably be a virus, wouldn't it? Let's roll the dice roll to see if we get a virus from going to the website, why don't we? Immediately says not secure. That's cool. Well, good to know that they haven't refreshed their digital certificate. That's cool. Or my mood gets ruined more. I'm sorry, Mimi. I'm sorry, Mimi. I'm sorry that you don't want to accept what I'm saying. Everyone's got problems. It's only up to them to deal with it. No, you're not, Mimi? Alright, sure, I'm not, I guess. If it makes you feel better to believe that I'm not sorry, then I will not be sorry. I will say whatever that makes you feel better. Because whether you believe it or not, I do want you to be fine. Do you have wise words? I am. Mimi, being fine isn't something that you say. It's something that you do. You can't say that you're fine, you just have to be fine. Right? And sometimes people aren't fine, and they say they are. But also accepting that, and also saying, it is also recognizing that it's also okay to not be fine is another good thing. Also, yes, Rai is so wise. Thank you, Rai, for your wise words of windows. Wise words of windows, not wisdom. Wise words of windows. We appreciate your Windows words here. I also appreciate you being here, Mimi. Because, hey, you're the VIP, Mimi. If it wasn't for you, I would never have started streaming. That's the only reason why you have the VIP badge. Is because you're the reason why I started streaming. Or at least one of them. And it's also the reason why, like, I don't have... Speaking of, like, channel points, because Mimi brought it up before. channel points and VIP badges. I don't care. That's fine. I'm still gonna talk about it anyways because I care. You don't have to care. I care. No one else is allowed to get VIP on my channel ever. Like, I choose the VIPs. That's something important to me. I'm going to choose the VIPs. And Mimi will remain as the only person with VIP because she is the person who, she's the reason why I started streaming, right? If it wasn't for her, I would not be streaming. So, yippee, thank you, Mimi. Whisper words of freedom, wisdom, let it be. Hey, maybe see you later. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, Mimi. Enjoy going to school. Have fun. Thank you for being upset at me. I appreciate you nonetheless. Bye, Mimi. I'm also gonna be ending soon, so. I'm probably not gonna raid out. Mostly because there's no one that I want to raid out to. I also don't have to raid out every night. Anyways, that's another thing I need to think of. I need to think of what to do with channel points. I need more things to do with channel points, right? I don't really know what to do. Like, of course, there's the idea of like VIP badges, but again, I don't want to give out VIP badges for that. Only the people that I want to have VIP badges will have VIP badges. And so far, that's technically 4 people, but one of those people have been permanently banned. The other 2 will never show up in my stream ever. So by default, it leaves only Minnie. And to be fair, it feels like Minnie sometimes will never show up either, because she gets upset at me a lot. So so who knows? Maybe she'll stop by again. Maybe she won't. But anyways, it's about time to call it. Why? Because I'm getting tired, and I also feel like I'm not making a lot of progress. Again, I'm gonna say this. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing this. I'm also gonna quit out of this game. We're also gonna hold on. You know what? Hold on. We're gonna make this. There we go. Here's our screen. Here's our game screen. Let's make the ending section, you know, nice to the stream. Let's make it like slightly nice. Anyways, hello, it is I, your streamer of this evening, or night, or morning, or afternoon, whatever time it is for you, or wherever you've been. I don't know if I'm going to continue doing these. I don't know if I'm going to continue doing these Sunday study streams, because I'm going to be honest, I don't know what to do. I'm going to put some more thought into it. Because, A, I don't feel like Anki is very productive. I also don't know how productive the game is going to be either. Maybe the game is good. Maybe it was just me getting tired and like my attention span was disappearing. You know what little attention span I do have. But at the end I started just like spamming things because I couldn't remember them. But on that note, I think it's about time to call it. I also thought about like streaming some more Sly Cooper tonight after I thought about doing, you know, study stream for like 3 hours and then switching and like doing some more speed running for Sly. But I'm gonna be honest right now, I'm more so upset that this stream wasn't as productive as I wanted to be, so I'm gonna end it. I don't want to go to Sly Cooper and be more upset that I wasn't productive. That I wasn't productive in Sly either, right? We can only fail at one thing at a time, right? We don't want to fail at multiple things at a time. You can only fail at one thing at a time. So we're only pick one thing to fail at a time, and right now it's study. Tomorrow we can go back and fail at another thing, but right now we only fail at one thing at a time, right? You need to learn grammar, but the resources do so are a bit more complicated. Yeah, I get that. It's also a bit like I'm at the early stages, and I'm just impatient, right? I want to progress faster, but I also don't have time. But yeah, nice to be here with you. I appreciate you being here, right? I also appreciate you helping me out. I appreciate you giving me words to read in hiragana. And did you give me anything? No, I don't think you gave me anything in katakana. But I appreciate you giving me examples in katakana, no, hiragana. I appreciate it because it does help. But yeah, it's just the thing that's like I'm at the early part, and I'm just impatient, and I'm trying to go too fast, and I just like I wish I could just like instantly read the language and understand the language, but I can't. It's gonna be a slow process and a long process, and I just gotta take my time, and I have to actually find good resources. That's another thing that I gotta do. I gotta actually find better resources. Also, thank you for the kisses. I appreciate the kisses. I had to find some good resources. But on that note, is it gonna be time to call it? Will I be back tomorrow? Probably. Maybe, maybe not. If I do stream tomorrow, it's going to be either Jack X or Wu-Chang Fallen Dynasty. Because I do still want to play that game, despite how fucking broken it is. It was a fun game. There has been a performance fix. There have been some fixes to the game. So hopefully we won't have any issues with that. I'm looking at you, Wu-Chang Fallen Dynasty, and your big boopa with your very revealing clothing. That was a fun game and has some spicy outfits. I did enjoy it. I just hated the performance issues. I want to come back to that game. Also Jack X and Daxter, because we haven't been, because we want to finish all the Jack games as well. Basically I want to get, well, I probably won't get through all of them before next week. Because next week, that's another thing. I'm going to go on a tangent real quick. Hold on, before ending. I'm going to go on a massive tangent. And by massive tangent, I mean not so massive tangent, but it's massive to me. Next week. The game I am the most excited for this entire year. And this is a game that no one cares about. This is a game probably no one in my entire community even knows exists. No one knows about this game but me. Pac-Man World. A retro game from the heydays of like the early 2000s. Holy shit, I loved that game as a child. Pac-Man World 2 specifically. I played that on the PlayStation 2 as a kid, and it was one of the games that made me fall in love with video games, right? If it wasn't for that game, I probably would not be streaming today, I'm going to be honest. I probably wouldn't have become, like, such invested in video games and would not have become, like, a streamer. I know that game is, oh my gosh, that makes me happy. Because it is a very niche game that not a lot of people know of. That actually makes me happy that you know that it exists. More people need to know that game exists. More people need to play it. But Pac-Man World 2 specifically was a game that I played as a child. And I fucking love that game. And it's getting a remake. It's getting a remake on the 25th. The 25th. In 10 days from now, I think. I think it was the 25th. Hold on. Pac-Man World 2 repack. Yeah, the 25th. I will be playing that. I will be playing that the day it comes out. I absolutely will. I might even take a day off work and just start streaming the moment I wake up. That's how excited for this game I am. I have not been this excited for a game in like the past 5 years. I'm more excited for that game than I was for Silksong. Fuck Silksong. Who gives a shit about Silksong? Fuck that game. Who cares about that? Silksong Game of the Year? Nah, it's Pac-Man World 2 Game of the Year. This is the game that I've been most excited for. The moment I saw it get announced, I shit my pants. Anyways, I'm also gonna replay Pac-Man World 1 repack. I'll also do that next week, like before Pac-Man World 2 releases. But on that note, it's time to call it. So, I'm not gonna rate out. I think it's bad, but I don't really know who to rate out. It feels a bit awkward rating out when doing things like a study stream. Unless there's like people also studying. Is there any like study streamers? I know this is like a semi-popular category, but nah, I'm not gonna bother. I'll worry about it later. So, on that note, have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good afternoon. Whatever time it is for you. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye. Janne. See, I remember bye bye in Japanese. Janne. Bye bye.